Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, we're just moments away from PCE, Core Price Index. We're waiting for it. Consensus is 0.2, previous 0.3. We want prices to come down. Let's have a look what happens. We'll see. The market is up again today. My portfolio is still exploding, as you can see. We're now at 61,184, looking good. Beating the market again, beating Warren Buffett again. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. We're just seconds away now, 30 seconds away from the core price index, and we're going to bring that to you any second now. I'm zooming in and we're waiting. Here we go. Just moments away. Core price index in the US, which exclude food and energy, increased by 0.3 from previous month in September. The last 4 months. So we're waiting now for the next price index report. Seconds away. I will have it on the screen for you. Consensus is 0.2. Core, PCE, price index, personal income, and jobless claims. Let's see what happens any second now. Here we go. The numbers are going to come out. If you've just tuned in, subscribe or ring the bell, tap the like button, share the video out, and I've got some very exciting news for all of those of you in the UK. Right, 0.3, my portfolio, we're watching it, the core price index. Here we go. Consensus was 0.2, previous 0.3. Consensus 0.2, we want 0.2 or less. Keep watching, keep watching. Personal income is as expected. Personal spending as expected. Core price. We're waiting any second now. And 0.2. Let's have a look. Come on, come on, come on. Give us that number. Here it is, and it's coming at 0.2, as expected. Good. That's good news. That's prices are stabilized as expected. They are moving down, and as we expected. So that's good. We are good. In fact, it's lower than the forecast. Actually, it says that what the consensus expected, 0.2. Initial jobless claims. Initial jobless claims, 218,000. So that's gone up. That's good. That's good. So, okay, everything's coming in good this morning. Everything's coming in nice and green this morning. Very good. Let's get back straight into the trades. This is good. Okay. We have some information. We have some information for all of my UK audience. Are you ready for some good news? So I'm going to put this out now as a video. Here we go. We're going to record this right at the top of the show. Here we go. Robinhood. Okay. At top. All right. Now then. Okay. Let me do a post. Okay. Here we go. So I'm doing a post for you now. Let me share with you what I'm doing. We're all going to do this together. Hood. Robinhood UK is here. Don't wait for my. Don't wait for. Don't wait for my referral to get free. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Do it this way. Robinhood is here. Join me now. Okay. Join me now. Sign up. To be the first in the UK. Okay, here we go. I don't get any free stocks. I just want you to be the first. There you go. I just want you to be the first. Click here. All right, here it is. I'm going to give you a referral code. Now, I could wait to get the free stock referral. I don't want that. I want everyone to get the app as quickly as possible. So you all have the best opportunity. So here we go. It's Hood, Robinhood, Martyn Lucas. I just want everyone to get the app as quickly as possible. Hey, Robert, just become a member.
Robert has become a member.
What was that? Just had a funny noise in my studio. I'll give you all your perks and benefits in a moment. Right, here we go. So, going to copy and paste that. Okay. And I'm going to drop that into here. Going to make a video in a second so you can all see what I'm doing. And I do have a referral now, but I don't want to wait until it's a referral where I get free stocks. I'm not interested in that. This is how we get on the list to get it immediately. Okay. I want everyone to get it today. It's always been about you, not been about me. I was hoping that I'd be able to share. I was hoping I'd be able to share a referral link so I get free stocks, you get free stock. But this way, I'm giving you a link where you can get on the list straight away. So again, it's about what's best for you. It's never been about what's best for me, for my members. Okay. All right. So I'm putting this everywhere, and once I do that, I will make the video on it. Okay. Okay. I've done that now. Right. Zoom in there. Let me give everybody the link here to jump into X. Get the link. There's the link for you. Anybody in the UK wants to get Robinhood? There it is. Now then, I'm going to make the video for all of you and share that post right there. So we're going to put that on the screen. That on the screen. There you go. Noise. Maybe there's noise. Maybe there's hiding an angry bear in the studio. Yeah, maybe there is. Maybe there is because they don't like what's going on, right? Look at the portfolio. 61.75. All right. Okay, here we go. So everybody on TikTok, if you want the referral, jump into YouTube right now. I'm going to give that link. Here we go. Let me put this here. Robinhood UK is here. Join me. And I'm going to if I just put that, copy link. Okay. That'll take you to that. Okay, that's the way to do it. All right, here we go. So I'm going to give everyone the link there 3 times so you can see it. I'm going to pin it to the top so you can see it. And I'm going to give that to my Kick audience who have joined me this morning. Good morning, kickers. There you go. There's that. And I'll give it to my rumblers as well. Let me give it to my rumblers. There you go. There's my rumble. And I'll also give it to my Facebook and X audience as well. All right. Make sure everyone has everything. Again, this is not about me getting free stocks. I was hoping I would. I was hoping I'd get free stocks for promoting it. But it's about getting on the list straight away so I can get everybody on the list. That's what I'd prefer. The best service for you. I could wait and, try and get free stocks, but I would rather you all join me today. Okay, so now I've got it all in place. That's what I want. All right. Just lining it up just so I can make the video. Very good. Right. Okay, here we go. Do you know if you can trade UK Cup? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. The full stock market. There's UK companies on my portfolio now, like Tesco, for example. All right, you ready? Okay. Breaking news, Robinhood UK. Welcome to the United States. Even though I'm from the United Kingdom, I'm here in the United States. I use Robinhood every day. This is my real shares, my real money, and I've grown $5,000 all the way up, as you can see, to $61,225, all live on Robinhood over the last couple of years. I now have the referral link. Now then, I did say I was really excited for this day and I was going to give you a referral link so I would get free stocks by referring you. However, that's not how it panned out. How it's panned out will come down the line, but I don't want to wait for that. I've always said my members, my viewers get the best service possible. I would have liked that opportunity. However, how it's turned out is Robinhood have provided me with a referral link to get everybody access to the service straight away. In other words, to get on the list. They're about to release it. It could be today. So I could wait for it to come out, get the app, and then I'll have a referral for free stocks. Or I could do what I'm going to do now, is give you the referral so you can get the app straight away. Doesn't benefit me at all, but it helps me get on the list like you, but it doesn't give me any free stocks whatsoever. But that is the right thing to do. I was really hoping, as I have thousands of you in the UK, I would give you a referral, I'd get loads of free shares, you'd get loads of free shares, and that would have been exciting, right? But it's not worked out like that. I've got a referral link to get you on to the platform as quickly as possible. I would rather share that out to you now so you can take advantage of what I use every day than me selfishly wait for the referral to get free stock. So that's what I've decided to do. So this is my Robinhood account. Click above my head if you want the referral link, or down below in the description. I posted it here on my X account. This is where I put all my trades. Before I make my trades, before I buy and before I sell, so everyone can see what I'm doing. Click over here on my X account, follow me there, and you'll get all the information about Robinhood. I will support you through the journey. I will share with you all the tips and tricks I have. I'll probably be one of the very few in the world to actually have a UK and a USA Robinhood account. They're on the same website. I've seen it. You change between the two, and I'm very excited about that. So there you go. There's my referral link. Please go to click above my head and down in the description, and you'll find that post on my X account, and that will give you the link. Now, as I say, I could have waited. I could have got the app and then made a video and then promoted it and got free stocks for myself. But the way it's worked out is Robinhood are promoting getting people on the list. And I would rather do that, even though I don't get any benefit from it other than joining you on the list. But I want you to have it as quickly as possible rather than to somehow wait until I can get it and then give you a referral. So join me on Robinhood. I'll follow you. I'll support you. I'll help you for the journey. I've been using Robinhood now for 2.5 years, and it's lovely. I'm from Cornwall in England, and I'm really proud and excited to welcome all my fellow Brits to join me now with Robinhood. It's going to be a great, great journey. Click on the links above and below. I'll put more of videos to help you with with your journey on Robinhood over here, and you can learn all about Robinhood and how I've achieved what I've achieved using Robinhood. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Thanks for the referral. I'm on the list now. Great. There you go. It was the right thing for you. Let's have a look. Let's see who's here. Hi all. Let's have a look. NXU. Good morning, everyone. Great heads up on the Robinhood positive sentiment. Thank you, mate. You're welcome. It was like, should I wait and then get all the referrals? And I thought, no, the right thing to do is tell everybody about it so they can get on the list. So that's what I've done. It's always been about you guys. Gents, good morning. Malk, UK, good morning. Great. Minnow. Hi, Martin. Hi, chat. Traders and viewers. Hi, Bill. Morning, family. Kamala. Hi, Martin, sir. Yay, UK. When is Robinhood coming to the Canada? It'll be next. It's undoubtedly next. Francesco Santos. Bill, Wade, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Became a member. Robert just became a member of our channel. Robert, you get lots of perks and benefits. Let me come back to you in a minute when I've got through all the comments. Bill, good morning. Bill, Steve, good morning. Good morning. Capcom says go flight Virgin. Good morning. Capcom says go flight Virgin to $100. John Granfors. I've not verified that information. Where do you find that from? John is not one of our members, so we cannot verify that information. Please, if that is real, become a member and share me the link to that information. What you mean by that? I have no idea what that means. Here we go.
Great heads up on the Robinhood positive sentiment.
It is indeed. It is indeed. Thank you, guys. Thank you for that $2 super chat. I appreciate it very much. Hi, Stephen Lewandowski. Hi, John. Hello, Louis Cotterill. Up in pre-market. Yes, we are. There's the link. Let's have a look. Let me get through. Hi, Martin. Do you know? Yes, you can trade UK companies. Should have bought Hood. You're right. You're always going to bounce higher on news. It might drop below 9. Let's have a look. Robinhood right now. Let's go and have a quick look at Robinhood. Robinhood. Yep, it's up today 3.8%. No surprise. Good morning, Martin and everyone. Just to confirm, is Robinhood now available in the UK? Yes. I just went to download the Robinhood Android app, but it says not available in your region. The Robinhood, yes, it is in the UK. It is in the UK. I've just given you the link. The app is not there. You'll be the first on the list. All right, here is the link. Again, it's on my X account. Go and click on it. Share it out. Click on that review. All right, I've just given it to you in the chat. I will sign up my PC if it's available. Thank you, Martin. You're very welcome. I will also use your referral link. Will Robinhood have an ISA account? Yes, it will be like a Roth IRA. CPE comes as expected. Should be a green day. In as expected. Yes, it will be a green day. Let's have a look. Thank you for the referral. I'm on the list now. Cornwall also. Yes. Thank you for the super chat. Morning, everyone from Florida Keys. Here for a few days. R&R. Very nice indeed. Trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week while in the US is sleeping. I like it. Malk Webb, Paul Stone. There you go. Good morning. Hood, nicely up pre-market. Yes, it is. Exactly as we said. James, the app is not available yet. You can sign up to get the first access. That is what I've given you. Question is, if Trading 212 entered UK market, what would the price be? I've no idea. I think it's rubbish compared to Robinhood. Good morning, everyone. Is there much difference? What do you mean, is there much difference? Okay, so I'm going to repeat. I've just made a video. It'll go out at the end of this video. All right, here it is once again, just so everybody knows. Okay, so we are all clear. Right, let me make sure who we got with us so far. Right, everyone smash the like button, tap the like, and here we go. You ready? Okay. Here we go. Right, I'm going to give it to you again. This is a video that's going out later. Great news, Robinhood UK. Welcome to all of us here in the US. Yes, I'm actually from Cornwall in England, so I'm going to have, even though I'm in Dallas, I'm going to have a UK account and a USA account. I've always said my services are here to provide the best service to my members. I could wait to get the app later on today or tomorrow and then give you all a referral where I get free stocks. No, that's not the best thing for you. The best thing for you is to get the app straight away. So I've got the referral to get you on the list. This is on the first list to get you out today, if not tomorrow. So here it is on my X account. On my X account is the referral to get you immediately on the list to get the app first in the world. I'm bringing that information. Go to my X account. There it is. And the link is above my head or below in the description. You can get it. I'm going to give it to everybody in the chat right now. I'm making this during a live video. Here we go. There is the Robinhood referral on my account, on my X account. Like I say, I do not get any benefit from that other than joining the list with you. I don't get any free stocks, but I want to bring it to you so you can get the services immediately before anybody else. If I waited and got the referral link so I get free stocks, that would benefit me, but you would all be out in the dark for that period of time. That's not the best service for my members. So there's the link. Get on the list, join me. It could be out later today and all of us will be on Robinhood. This is my portfolio. I've gone from $5,000 to $61,370 live on the show in front of everyone. And this is it. Join me. Links are below, above, below. That doesn't make any sense. That's rubbish. Above or below, you know what I'm saying? Or over here, I'll put more videos in the series for Robinhood. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, let me read your comments. Yes, Chris, I think Robinhood will do well because if I'm not mistaken, you can trade crypto on Robinhood also with leverage. I try to avoid leverage on crypto. I don't think you can. You cannot. I don't think you can. On my Robinhood account, you cannot use margin to buy crypto. No, you can't. I don't know what you mean by that, Chris. Let's have a look. Profits already made now. If anything, better off adding to space. That'll defer, go higher next few weeks, Chris said. Good afternoon. Great news, Martin. Yes, thank you, mate. Posted the link to the Hood FT article on Discord. Thank you very much indeed, mate. I took profits on Robinhood and then re-entered once it dropped. Okay, I think Robinhood's going to 4 to 6x. I wouldn't be selling my Robinhood right now. I don't think that's a good idea at all. Okay. Here's my portfolio. Up. Virgin Galactic is up 1.36. Palantir, too expensive. Gold going down. S&P, too expensive. Amazon going down, too expensive. Apple up but retracing back down again. Next Era Energy going up again today, just 11% short now. Enphase Energy now 102. If it breaks 110, it's going straight to $200. I'm up in the money now. There we go, making money on Enphase Energy. Very, very nice indeed. I'm not selling it. It's worth $300. Coca-Cola, it's up today. I'm up nearly 5% now. J&J just up and down. Kenvue going up. Chevron going up 4% before I take some profits. Tesla up today. It's the Tesla Cybertruck is out today on the day that Elon Musk decides to tell all his audience to basically blah, blah, blah. I can't even repeat it. I wonder if I can play you the clip. Listen to this, folks. This is what Elon Musk a few hours ago, and he decided to tell all his investors this. Let's have a look. See if I can share it.
Advertisers leaving. We talked to Bob Iger today.
I hope they stop.
You hope
Don't advertise.
you don't want them to advertise?
No.
What do you mean?
If somebody's going to try to blackmail me with...
Do you know what? I'm going to make this a video. I'm going to make this a video. Here we go. How do I do this? X account, X account, X account, X Elon 25. Okay, here we go. Listen to this. Elon Musk tells all his advertisers on X to beep, beep, beep. I'm not joking. On the day the Cybertruck comes out, have a listen to this.
There was all of the criticism. There was advertisers leaving. We talked to Bob Iger today.
I hope they stop.
You hope
Don't advertise.
you don't want them to advertise?
No.
What do you mean?
If somebody's going to try to blackmail me with advertising, blackmail me with money, go yourself.
But
Go yourself. Is that clear? I hope it is.
That's clear.
Hey, Bob, if you're in the audience.
well, let me ask you then.
That's how I feel. Don't advertise.
How do you think then about the economics of X? If part of the underlying model, at least today, and maybe it needs to shift, maybe the answer is it needs to shift away from advertising. If you believe that this is the one part of your business where you will be beholden to those who have this view, what do you do?
F-Y.
Well, what do you make of that, folks? Elon Musk says to the world, basically, beep, beep, beep. I can't repeat it. What do you make of that? Elon Musk has just said to everybody on Twitter, I don't need you. On the day the Cybertruck comes out. Just some breaking news there. I thought I'd share with you. Leave me your thoughts and comments below. Elon Musk is at it again. Leave me your thoughts. Until then, bye-bye for now. All right. What do you make of that? I thought you'd find that interesting. Let's have a look. I suggest we all sign up using Martyn's referral code. He brought us the news early and gave us a good entry point. Yes, I did. And remember, I mean, I don't get anything out of that at all. I just want you to get the access as quickly as possible. It's the right thing. I've always said my show is about serving you and finding the ways to serve you best. I would have loved to have given everyone a referral and got free stocks. Hang on a minute. I'm moving up the list. It says here, you're moving on up. Congratulations. Someone joined. This is what I just got a few moments ago. Look, each time that you've done this, guys, I've got this. Okay. Let me share with you. This is my phone. This is my emails on my phone. You're moving on up. Congratulations, because someone joined the waiting list using your referral link. We're giving you the bump up the queue. You're another step closer to becoming one of the first to access the app to give you the commission, to give you no commission or FX fees on trades. There you go. I'm making sure everyone has got it first. It's my priority to get everyone the app first, okay? So there you go. Wow, you've all done it. I've got loads of emails here this morning. Oh my God, you're moving up the list. Right, so let's keep on top of this. So I'll be able to inform you as quickly as possible about that. Anyway, let's time for a nice morning cup of tea. That's a good idea. Let's have a cup of tea here from my my mug. Here we go. I forgot all about my tea. Thanks for reminding me, James. Watch the whole clip. He actually said that his tweet was foolish and then talked about having demons in his head. Oh, my dear, oh, dear. Wade Van Eisen, I'm doing the same. Excellent. Watch the whole interview. Jordan Allen, can you send me a link, please, via Discord? You're one of my members. You can access it. Dominic Webb, I'll sign up before next year's ISA window, and I'll then use Martyn's code. Will Robinhood allow option trading in the UK account? I believe so. It'll have everything that the US has. Wade Van Assen, that's a good idea. Bleeping Elon. Yes. Sad news about Shane McGowan. I know. Thank you for sharing that information, though. So he can't be blackmailed. Great. I could see Elon more Tesla shares. I could see Elon sell more Tesla shares to help. It sounds like Elon has been smoking Tilray products. Great comments here. I used your referral. I did too. Thank you, guys. You will be top of the list. Gonna have to trade my way out of 212 now before First can use the platform, though. All right. Okay. So if you just tuned in, hang on a minute. Let me do something to help everybody. I've just thought of an idea. Edit. I have Robinhood. Join me now. Okay. Hood. Hood. Okay, I have Robinhood. Join me now. Going to put this out. Okay, I'm going to try and do this now. And thank you very much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. I wanted to do what was best for you guys. The best thing for you. I could have waited and got the referral and got the free stocks, but I thought, no, you'll be able to do that. When you get it, you'll be able to refer it out to everybody and get free stocks. But I decided, no, I'm going to get everybody on. It was the right thing to do. So that's what I did. I thought about it for about 2 seconds. And I thought, oh, I could wait. Then I thought, it's not the right thing to do. You've got the link. Send it out. I have Robinhood. Join me now. Robinhood, join me. Okay, there's that. Okay. Let me give everybody that. Okay, now I want to make, I'm going to see if I can do this now. Okay. It's just happened, so bear with me. You might see this on the screen. I'm not sure what you'll see. Okay. I'll actually, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, just for a moment, just to share with you the experience, all right? Just to share with you what I'm doing. All right. So if I put that over here, this is how I do things, right? I don't know. We've got all family here, right? We've got all family here. So this is me using Photoshop. This is my template. All right. Okay.
Thanks for the link.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Hood is here. This is my template. Hood is here. Okay, I'm going to put this out in a few seconds. Okay. When everyone's watching, you completely mess it up, don't you? Oh my God, you no idea how fast I move around when I'm not doing this being watched. Because I'm being watched, I'm making a reap balls of it. Okay. Okay, let's do this quickly. All right. Okay, Hood is here. Okay. Okay, take that across there. Good morning, all. I'll read your comments in a second. Just bear with me a second. I don't know. I'm just sharing you what I'm doing at the moment because I just want everyone to get this straight away. So it was literally just happened. YouTube, Martyn Lucas, images, earnings images, logos, Robinhood. Oh, flipping heck. Remind me never to try and do it again when everyone's watching. I'm making an absolute travesty of it. I do this so well when I'm doing it when no one's watching, but I guess when everyone watches, you're all nervous, right? Distance. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Just doing this while we're all waiting. Drop that down in front of there. This has just happened some moments ago, so I'm just you're seeing the insides of how I do how I do all my stuff. Right, that'll do. We've got time before the bell goes, so we're fine. It's not my best work, but it'll have to do for now. I just want to get it out for everybody. Right, there we go. going to put this out. Hood. Shot. Okay. I'm giving everyone the link before it comes, so everyone can get it instantly. Okay. Now I can shut that down. Okay. Tesla's dropping on the bell. Well, 20 minutes to go before the bell, but never mind. Edit. And now I'm going to change that image. Change. Hood is here. I have the link. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, there you go. It should be up there now. Everyone should be able to get it. Everyone should be able to see it now. It should be live. Let me just change the... put Robinhood in there as well. Hood. Robinhood. UK. In. Last thing to do. Done. Right. Done. Okay. If you've just tuned into the show, Robinhood is now available in the UK. If you want to be the first to get it, we could. I'll do another little video now. So what we are 40 minutes in. Hood 40 mins. If you've just tuned in, I'll give you an update of where we are. Okay, so let me go over to my... Oh, I've just had a notification from Robinhood. What does it say? No, not anything there yet. Okay. Portfolios on the rise again. 61,200. Let's have a look. I can't click on your link. Let me give it to you again. It's on my X account. There's no reason why not. Let me just double check. There it is. I'll put it 3 times in the chat. Let me click on it. It opens up that. And that opens up that. Yep, it all works. Yes, it all works. So I'll actually go through it with you to explain how it actually works. Okay, I'll do it for you now. Nikunj, I'm going to do it for you now. Has anyone posted links for YouTube, Discord about transferring shares between brokerages? Thank you. I'll have a look at that. Is anyone on a waiting list? Is everyone on a waiting list? Yes, but you'll all be the first to get it. That mine's going to be first, or all of you will be first. That's the point of me sharing this out. Okay. Yep. Did you self-teach yourself how to use Photoshop? Yes. But that was awful. I was terrible then, Jordan. I used lots of shortcuts, Stream Deck. Because you were all watching, I completely messed it up. That was the worst demonstration of Photoshop I've ever done in my life. Anyway, just check Trading 1-2 on their platform doesn't allow share transfer. Or yes, Robinhood does. Has anyone seen CY20 lately? Therapeutic company spiked recently. No, Ed. I'll look at that later. Yeah, Wade, in the same situation. I need to wait until my investments turn. Only one thing to do is sell others. Okay, good idea, Robinhood. I'm going to try my way out of Wade, trade my way out. Okay, so that once again, if you've just tuned in, here's the information. Here is the information. If you've just tuned in. Okay, let me share with you once again. there. YouTube. This is very exciting stuff. It's going to happen. You're probably going to get it today. I would have thought, knowing how Robinhood works, I would have thought you'll get it today. So that, I don't need that. Okay, here we go once again. I'm on the list. Thanks. You're very welcome. Okay, so here we go. Everybody ready? Let's do it again. Robinhood UK is here. Do you want to be the first in the world to get it? Well, you can. I'm from the UK. I've got an account in the US, but I'm going to have a UK account as well. I'm not waiting to give everyone the referral so I get free shares. I'm giving you my referral now, today, to get you to the top of the list. I'm going to be one of the very, very first in the UK to get it, which means you will be as well. This is what you do. Click above my head or below the description for Robinhood. Here is my Robinhood account. I've made up to, as you can see, from $5,000 up to $61,277 live on the show, from $5,000 in 2.5 years for everyone to see here on Robinhood in the US. But now it's in the UK. This is my link on my X account. If you go to my link on my X account, it's right there. And when you click on it, this is what happens. It opens up this page here, and then you put your email in there and you can set yourself up to have an account on Robinhood. Now, because I am going to be the first in the UK to get it, one of the first, because I have a large audience in the US that follow me, I'm going to be able to support you, help you. But right now, I want to give you the link so you can get Robinhood straight away without waiting for me to sign up and then get referral links and earn free stocks. I'm always here to provide the best service for my members. So you are now you are now ready. Robinhood is here in the United Kingdom, teamed up with the United States. You can be the first to get it. It's a very, very exciting day. Click above my head and below in the description, and you can join me here on Robinhood, up here, down here, and I'll post more Robinhood videos down here as well. If you reply to my videos and comment, I will give you a full breakdown and a guidance and support through using and setting up Robinhood, how it all works, how I make it work best for me, and any questions, I will answer them with videos. So all the Robinhood videos will be here in a playlist. Get very, very excited. Robinhood is here. Welcome to the family. Okay. Excellent. Now, why this is so important is for those that you invest on the stock market, you're going to see Robinhood 4 to 6x. So let me add this afterwards. This is really important. Right. If you've just tuned in, my link for Robinhood is in the chat. A lot of people are tuning in now for the Robinhood referral link. If you want to get instantly top of the list, there is the link. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. We had a new member this morning. Is our new member here? Let me have a look. Is our new member still here? We had a new member join in, and where is he? Robert Blaurock. Let me just give this to Robert. Robert, is he still here? I've got to give him all his perks and benefits. Robert, I don't think he's here just yet. No, I was going to give him all the benefits, and all the perks and benefits, but he's not here right now. Okay. We'll have to come back to him later then. Hood. How the stock is going to move today. Hood. Robinhood. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Expect Robinhood to 4 to 6x. Why? I've been saying for the longest time, as has Cathie Wood. I don't always believe what she says, but she's going to be right on this one. Robinhood comes to the UK today, and I have the referral link. You can all get it and be the very first person to get it in the world. But why I'm excited about Robinhood is because once it lands today in the UK, which it's doing right now, what that means is you've got 75, 80 million people potentially exposed to Robinhood, and then it goes into Europe as well, which is hundreds of millions of people, of course. What's really exciting, though, for Robinhood stock, it'll go up and potentially 4 to 6x. Why? Because they've been spending a lot of money recently to get it to the rest of the world. So once it lands, all that expense has been done. Okay, so now we're going to profit from it because not only are you going to have people signing up with Robinhood using the services, so they're going to make money that way, but also I know and I believe the majority of the people that sign up in the UK, like me, I'm from the UK, but I've got a US account and a UK account. I'm based here in Dallas right now. I believe they'll get the gold platform as well. And that'll be $5 per month per customer. Again, you can imagine the revenue there for Robinhood. Plus, we've got the credit card about to come out as well. So a lot of great stuff to make Robinhood the #1 brokerage in the world is all about to happen. So you can imagine where the Robinhood stock will go. So I think this is great news to share with you. Full disclosure, this is not financial advice whatsoever, but I will share with you, I own $4,000 worth of Robinhood. I'm up 5.76, which, considering that the stock is undervalued by about 4 times because of all the GameStop gamblers that lost all their money, I know that Robinhood is going up to $30, $40 quite easily. So I've got a good position here. I'm not buying any more. Wouldn't make any sense. I've got a balanced portfolio. But there you go. Welcome to all our guests in the UK. Join me. I'm live up to 10 hours a day. I aim to be the most honest person on YouTube TV. I've just given everyone the referral link, even though I don't get any benefit from it, from any free stocks. But I always said I would give my members the best service. So I've just given everyone my referral link. Click above my head or down below in the description and you'll find my referral link so you can be the very first person to get on the service. Even though I get no perk for that, I just want you to have the service as quickly as possible so you can be involved with what I'm doing here on Robinhood. There you go. I'll leave more videos over here in the series, and it's very, very exciting. And there's Robinhood. Till next time, as always, God save the Queen, God save the King, and God bless America. Welcome to America, all of those in the UK. It's kind of funny me saying that as I'm from Cornwall in England. But anyway, welcome to all of you. Fantastic. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There you go. Now then, let me read the comments here. Good morning, all. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Queen. Hi, Stephen. Robinhood should have started in the UK stealing from the royal family. Robinhood should have started in the UK stealing from the royal family. I've no idea what that means. Good morning, Queen. 100 likes on the space video. Yes. Let's have a quick look. Last night, very late at night it was, we put out a surprise video. Did you all see it? This was the charts. It's a must-see video. Sensei, you've got to move that Mr. Like. You got to move the Mr. Mini-Me. I don't know why you've got him right there. Move him to the side. You click on it, you drag it, takes about 1.5 seconds, and yet that's been there for weeks. Come on, Sensei, sort this out. Click on it, move it. Right? Do you want to see how I do it? I click on it. You're seeing it right now. Look, I move it. You can move it as fast as that. Sort it out, Sensei. Bloody hell, mate. Anyway, there is Sensei's video. Put out a great video last night, and very, very excited for him. It's had 690 views already, which is actually a lot less than it actually is. If I actually go and show you, let's see. Did you all click on it? Did you all watch it? We got 7 minutes before the bell goes. Let me have a quick look here and see exactly what it's done. It's now done. That video has now done. Let's have a look. It's done 734 views, Sensei. 4 subscribers subscribed for watching it. 6 minutes, 28 seconds is the watch time, which is very good. And the audience is, let's have a look. Engagement of the likes is 99%, which is very, very good. 99%. Yes, 100 likes, and it's actually 98. I've got to be honest. It's 98 likes, 98 and 1 dislike, which is 99%. So very, very well done indeed. So yeah, you're 2 away. I bet we'll get 100 likes in the next couple of minutes if everyone clicks on it. I'm sure they will. Anyway, Nepal. Kamala Dahal, welcome from Nepal. Love on the sun. I love this. This is on the run. You know what happens when on the run comes in, right? I do my Paul McCartney. I go, band on the run, band on the run. There you go. We're Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Heart Club Band. We hope you have enjoyed the show. There you go. Sergeant Pepper, how about that? You like a bit of that? All right. You still going to use Coinbase or Crypto Challenge, Sensei, or sell and move to Robinhood? Oh, this will be interesting. Crageye will use Coinbase. He's staying with Coinbase. Need to use Robinhood and explore as well. Crag, how are you? Yes, it was a great video. Lance Strength, actually, I believe Lance Strength, was it Lance? No, it wasn't Lance. It was somebody else. Someone said they loved the charts, thought it was great. I forget who it was now, but Lance Strength is saying he loved it as well. Thank you, Lance. Yes, I'm good. Thanks, Queen. How are you? Are we going to see Virgin Galactic hit the magic 227? Of course we are. We're going to see it hit 3 and 4. Click on the video on YouTube. It already says 100. Ha ha. Okay then, Sensei. Maybe it's just gone up. Yes, it does say 100 likes. It does say 100. Hang on a minute. Oh, he's going. Hang on a minute. It's you said only 100. Hang on, I'll tell you. Don't you worry. See more. Why is that only show? Oh, hang on. Let me change that to first 7 days since published. It does say 100. You're absolutely right. It does say 100. Sorry, Sensei. He's spot on. It says 100. I was just trying to say it was only 98. It was actually 100. He's dead right. I've just checked it. Eyes on the run. On the run. Hello there, on the run, SF. What's your favourite music? Do you like Michael Jackson? I can do a good impression of Michael Jackson. You'd like that. 3 minutes ago, we're getting ready to ring the bell. We're watching very closely. Is on the run, Michael Jackson, 10 seconds before we ring the bell. Another day is gone. I'm still all alone. Though you're far away. 'Cause I am here to stay. There you go. What do you think of that? You can't believe it, can you? You can't believe it. Morning Queen. The Queen of Self-Braiding is here with her fellow lady on the run, SF. 2 ladies back to back. Look at that. Space over 2:30 today. Morning Queen and OTR. Right, here we go. 2 minutes to go. As every portfolio's going up again. Has everybody clicked on my referral, please? I don't get any benefit. I could have waited to got free stocks, but I didn't. I wanted to make sure that you all got it first. So could you do me a favor? It's the very least you could do. As you're all going to get Robinhood first without me getting any free stocks at all. Would you all click on that link I've given you? When you go to X, would you all like and repost it, please? Help me get it first so you get it first. No benefit to me whatsoever. I don't get any stocks for anything for free. I just want you to get it. So could you all go and repost and like that? I would really, really appreciate it. All right? Okay. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Here we go. 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Get ready. Robinhood's going to have a big day. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're about to ring the bell. I want to thank everyone for doing my Robinhood referral. Thanks to all of you. I think nearly everyone has done it. All the members have done it. Here we go. You can sponsor the bell, a $20 super chat. You can sponsor the bell just like this. You can put your name on the bell and links below as well. Are you ready? I got to do more in-depth analysis on the transactions. That's just an overview. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The bell has now gone and we are off and running. Let's see what's going up, what's moving. Here we go. Let's get excited. Here we go. The portfolio is up. Let me give you an outline. The overall portfolio is up again today, consistently beating the market, consistently beating Warren Buffett. I'm up 1.46. There is my overall position. 61,000. We were only 54, 53 like a week ago. We're at 300,000 now. There we go. All right. Let's go. The overall portfolio is up. Virgin Galactic, 223, ready for its next breakout at 1.44. Palantir, too expensive. Gold, too expensive. S&P, too expensive. Amazon, going down. I'll be buying it at some point. It's too expensive. Apple, too expensive. NEE, my solar, that's the future. That's what's going up. Only 11% out of the money. Enphase Energy, we broke that 101. That's going up, just pulling back at the moment. Coca-Cola, source of funds, I'm up 5%, 4.79. I beg your pardon. J&J is just slightly down, but it's only 1.78 out of the money now. Kenvue is going up. Very nice indeed. Great dividends paying out in a couple of days' time. Chevron is moving up. I'm only 4% out of the money now. Tesla is just dropping off. It's Cybertruck day. The Cybertruck is out. Elon Musk is upsetting everybody. Everyone thinks he's going to sell his shares because of X, his comments. I put that news out earlier. Rivian is up and just following. I hate the way Rivian just constantly follows Tesla. It's kind of pointless. They might as well just come together and get married or something, join a happy family. McDonald's is up today. Google, too expensive. It's going up though. Microsoft, too expensive. Walmart, too expensive. Tesco, too expensive. Tesco is up. Tilray brand is up, but too expensive. Don't like it. Tesco was going down. That's what I meant to say. Too expensive. Robinhood today is just pulling back a little bit. Wait for the bounce though. We're already up at 1.4. It's a 4 to 6x. IonQ, too expensive. Rocket Labs going up. We've got the flights around the corner. Plug consistently going up now. Just 16% out of the money. I'm not adding any more or selling. Procter & Gamble needs to go down. Rumble, rubbish. Funware, not doing anything. Faraday, it's a moon bag. Rio Tinto is up today, 0.15. Bitcoin is down 0.3. Polygon is up 1.26. XRP is up 0.44. There we go. There's our rundown. We are currently up, but just pulling back slightly. Let's keep an eye on and see where we're going. Let's get to all the comments in the chat. Youngquist, I got to do more in depth. That's just an overview. I'm not sure what that means. I put some insider transactions from Bloomberg Terminal on Space on the general chit chat on Discord. The general chit chat on Discord. Let me have a look. What's going on over there? Hang on a minute. General chit chat. Let's have a look. Caden Youngquist. Lots of selling on Space. Inside information on Bloomberg. Well, let's be absolutely clear. We do not have inside information at all on our show, but we do know about inside inside transactions. There's a very, very different statement. Let me be absolutely clear of what I mean by that. Let me share with you what I mean by that. Here is Virgin Galactic. This is our information that we have here. And if you scroll down on Alpha Spread, you can see here at the bottom the short interest. It is 20.17. We can also see, you can see all my reviews for Alpha Spread. They are all on their website. Every one of my reviews for all the stocks all make their way, every single one, onto Alpha Spread. If you want that link, let me know. Last 7 days, negative news. Today, nothing at all at the moment. Last 30 days, we're looking at 36%. But the reason why I'm saying this is we're going to go down to here and you can see the trading that's occurring, that insiders are buying and selling. As you can see, there is nothing reported here for inside trading. And what I mean by inside trading, inside transactions, that's when people at the company are buying and selling their stock. The last transaction was reported on November the 10th, 21. There's no major buying and selling going on Virgin Galactic. So just want to be absolutely clear on that. If there was, I would have it here for you, and I don't. Let's have a look. What's Caden's doing here? He shared a picture of a Bloomberg terminal. Let's have a look. Let me zoom in here. Virgin Galactic. I'd like to talk to Caden about that and get to grips what that is. Bloomberg is powerful, but I know not everyone has access to it. I personally like Morningstar for retail investors. Okay, just reading this comment here. Jordan Allen has sent me the full video of Elon's comment, so I'll be looking out for that. Thank you very much for that. Let me come back to my main position a minute. Beg your pardon. Let me just zoom out of here, go up to here and bring us back to the main account. Portfolio is just going down at the moment. Not concerned. Let me look in the breakfast bar. What do we have? Jason Fallon. Oh, look at this. Jason Fallon. Oh, by the way, is it Wade Van Eysen? Is it Wade Van Eysen? Is Wade Van Eysen in the house? Is it Wade? I think it is. He was the first one to send me a mug. Is it Wade? Yes. I've got a surprise for Wade Van Eysen. Is Wade Van Eysen in the house? Are you here? Are you here, Wade Van Eysen? Are you here, Wade Van Eysen? What's down? Let's go through it. Virgin Galactic is just going down 0.5%, 219. Palantir. Caden Youngquist just said his Bloomberg terminal shares the insider transactions. I'm going to be careful how I explain that. S&P going down. Amazon going down. Apple. Next Era. Enphase. Can you look at the Hall of Fame? They are about to open the new indoor water park. Rallo 1. Can you look at Hall of Fame? Would you like me to do a full stock review on the stock? You are a member of my channel. You are able to have that service. If you would like it, say so. If you want a full review, and I'll put it on the list. It's about 2 weeks out unless you do a super chat and take it to the top. So I'm just going to wait for your response a moment. Enphase just dropped a little bit. Well, hardly down at all, though, to be perfectly honest. Chevron, Tesla, Rivian just follows. Literally identical. Yes, please. Okay, you would. Hall of Fame. Okay, here we go. I'll add it to the list. It's about 2 weeks out unless you do a super chat and take it to the top. Rallo 1. He wants Hall of Fame. And that's HOFV. Okay. It's on the list. It'll be done as soon as possible. The stock mentioned earlier, I should have bought the stock I mentioned earlier, CYTO. CYTO. Yeah, we haven't done a review on that one yet. Again, you can book one in if you want or put it on the list. Either way. Right. Is Wade Van Eisen in the house? He's in the chat, but he's not responding. Wade, are you here? Are you here? Come down all of a sudden, says Sensei. Well, my portfolio, that's nothing at all. 1% is absolutely nothing at all. Virgin Galactic 217, still up 38%. Gold, the S&P, Amazon, Apple. Let's make sure we've got everybody here. Robinhood. If you've just put rest in peace, Shane McGowan, the Pogues. Yes, I know. Great song. The Ballad of New York. What was it called? The Ballad of New York. The Christmas song, Ballad of, I can't remember what it's called now. Remember the guy with all his teeth missing. Anyway, if you've just tuned in and you want to be the very first in the world to get Robinhood UK, it doesn't benefit me at all. I don't get any free stocks. I just want all my members to have the link immediately. There is the Robinhood link. It's on my X account. Please share it. Go and repost it so more people get to hear about it. It pushes me up the list. It pushes you up the list. But I don't get any free stock. I just want you to have the service as quickly as possible. All right? Fairy Tale of New York. That's the song. Fairy Tale of New York. Yes, Ballad of New York. I knew it wasn't that. All right. Excellent stuff. Robinhood starting to come back up again. Let's see how far down she goes before she bounces. Virgin Galactic 216. Fairy Tale. Thank you, guys. Everyone's telling me now. Brilliant. Let's have a quick jump in to our friends on Kick. We're trying to get to 75 followers in one day. We didn't manage it, unfortunately. Here is my Kick account. We tried to get to 75. They gave me a challenge and said you could become a partner on Kick if you get to 75 members. We tried to do it in a day, but there's my link to Kick. This is me on Kick right now, and we managed to get 8 on the first day. There we go. I mean, don't abandon YouTube for Kick, but it was a bit of a challenge, a bit of fun to see if we could do it. Unfortunately, we could only get 8, but there you go. I want to drop in and say hello to my Rumblers this morning. Welcome to all of you. Thank you very much indeed for following me there. Welcome our Facebook audience as well that'll watch me this morning. Thank you. And thank you, my Xers as well. Thanks for all reposting and liking that post on X. I do appreciate it. If you do comment or reply, I will reply to all of your questions and so on. I want to thank a couple of people who have just followed me on X. I want to thank you very much. Benny is called Trades Noob, has just followed me, and thank you. And Shaky, thank you very much as well. Shaking Stevens, remember that? This old house need new windows. All right, if you do actually ask me a question, I will reply to all of my members to make sure everyone gets answered. All right, okay. Let's read these comments. We're just dropping off at the moment. Let's read this. How can you be nice? AidVax says Rose Sensei. Oh, talking of Sensei, who was it who booked in? It was Sensei's do an MSAQ for R3A. Sensei, what time did you want to do that today? You're calling in for that. What time did you want to do that? Can you let me know? Sensei's going to do a review on what's a good time for you. R3A. He's not in at the moment. I don't know when's a good time for you. Do you know that song, Martin, would be a great one to learn for Christmas? Yes. I thought about it. I haven't had a chance to do it yet. So many things I've got to do. Space insider trade. No. That's not what we're saying at all. Inside transactions, there are nothing reported. We also, anytime, sir, he's here. R3 is here. Okay, anytime. All right, Sensei's here. We'll see what he does in a minute. Hi, Crag. I'm good, mate. How are you? What has just happened to the stocks? We had a cool inflation data. I'm expecting a big bounce. Yes, because it's profit taking before the buyback, before the bounce. This is perfectly normal. Jordan, stay calm, mate. Don't worry. Hi, Martin. Do we get a free stock using your referral? No one gets a free stock at the moment. It just gets you on the list so you can have access to it. Anyway, they're not giving free stocks away. They're just getting you the chance to have it. I'm good, development. Thanks, mate. Is Zach here? I didn't see him pop in. Hey, there he is. I am happy that Hood went to the UK. Yes. Here. Oh, hang on. We're trying to come back up again now. Hey, Malk UK has just done it. He's done my kick. How many have I got now? 8 followers. It says 8. Let me refresh it. It still says 8. What's that about? Still says 8. I'm just trying to get to 75, just for the hell of it. Anyway, thanks, Malk. Maybe it will refresh in a minute. Maybe you gotta follow me. Oh yeah, you subscribe, but you gotta follow me now, right? You gotta follow me. Anyway, here's Virgin Galactic trying to come back up again. Gold going down, S&P going down, Amazon going down. Crag, good morning, says Zach. Apple and Next Era, Enphase, all taking a bit of a drop at the minute. It's okay. Healthy. J&J up today, 152. 155 out of the money. That is going to be so good when I finally break through with 24,000 shares. Every time it moves like 1%, it'll make a big difference, right? It really make a big difference. That's trying to break out here. Oh, see it? Trying to break out. Just 154 now. It's one of the stocks that can double next year. That's why I've gone all in with margin to buy as many shares as I can. $24,000 worth. Just 152. Oh, look at it moving now, see? Come on, J&J. You're so undervalued. Still going down. Virgin Galactic, 216. But again, let's stand back and look how we're trending over the month. Looking good. We're setting these support levels here all the way through. Nothing's been broken. We're just gaining height all the time. I like it. Not concerned about it. Gold, S&P, Amazon, Apple. Good. I want Apple and Amazon to go down to be able to buy them. Enphase is coming back up again. It's all coming back up now. Coke, here we go. J&J, here we go. 1.5% to go. That's all. I've been buying that dip forever. Oh, 1.47. Is this the day I finally go into the green for the first time with Robinhood, with J&J? Very exciting. It's my biggest position now. $24,474. Come on. Let's see. Kenview, Chevron, Tesla, taking a bit of a drop with Elon Musk in his comments. Rivian just follows it. Bit frustrating, isn't it? Google, Microsoft, Walmart. These are all too expensive. Tilray, Hood, still green. Higher lows are great. Lance strength. Absolutely. We're building support. Here we go. The portfolio's coming up now. Here we go. Did you all sell out again? Oh, Virgin Galactic. There you go. Coming back up now. Let's go back to J&J. I want to see it turn green. Oh, just $300 to go. Sounds a lot. I'm down $350, but when you consider the portfolio is what the position is worth $24,500, $300 is 1.41. That's all, and it's a stock that can double next year. So I'm very happy with that. Thought Hood would drop. Why? Why would you think Hood would drop? It's going to make so much money. Why would you think Hood would drop? I don't understand why you'd think Hood would drop. You're thinking about buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah, that applies if the stock is overbought and the stock is overvalued, but the stock is undervalued. That's why we use our intrinsic values and our algorithmic software to provide us that information. We know that Robinhood is undervalued and oversold. So, what do you want it to? What do you want? I mean, it's got plenty of cash on the books. It's a great business. It makes money. It's growing all the time. Why would you expect it to go down? I know what you're saying. Sold the news and profit taking, but a profit taking at this level, it doesn't make any sense. The stock's going to go to $40. Why would you sell out now for a couple of cents profit? I don't get that. It could rally. This could go really quick. This is the sort of stock, if it drops, Cathie Wood will just buy millions of shares instantly, and it's $10, and then you're chasing it. Then you're waiting for a dip. Then you're waiting, thinking, "Oh, what am I going to do now?" And I'm not doing that. I think that's crazy. I don't think that's a good idea. Space always goes red and finishes green later in the day. Not always. But a Thursday, it very often goes up in the after hours. By the way, last night, do you remember I said live on my show it would go up after hours? Do you remember? And it did. It went up 0.25% after hours. I said, I got 9 followers on Kick now. Thank you very much indeed, folks. 9. I'm trying to get to 75 so I can become a partner. I've got 9. If you've not yet followed me on Kick, please, don't abandon YouTube. YouTube is our home. This is our family. This is where we are. This is the main hub of the show. But if you just subscribe to me on Kick, just to get me to 75, it helps me find a new audience and it helps everybody. But just by subscribing to me, and sorry, not subscribing to me, following me on Kick helps grow the channel. Other platforms that all find us here on YouTube. Here we go. It's going up now. Portfolio's going to be green in a few seconds. This is good. Just profit taking. Yeah. Sold my DWAC. Was my only stock in green. Beginning of the switch to Robinhood. I like it. Beginning of the switch. What was value on alpha spread for Hood? That's a very good question. Let's have a look at Hood. Very good. We've not done it for a while. Let's have a look. Robinhood. Undervaluation 46%, undervaluation 3%, worst case overvaluation 39%. But we're not. So there you go. But the base case is undervalued by 3%, and that's before all of this good news going into the UK. So I'm very happy with that. Shall we give it Wall Street targets? You want to look at the balance sheet? Let's have a little look. Fundamental. Let's have a look. Look at the balance sheet. The balance sheet is improving. Nothing dramatic, but it's improving. Capital expenditure. This is what I was talking about their spending less now. They've done all the work to go into the UK. That's what I'm talking about. And the balance sheet, profitability score, because they're spending so much at the moment, but that's all now falling off. It's 31%. Their solvency score is 40. Again, a lot of spending right now, but that's not too bad. But look at the Wall Street analysis. 161% on the upside, 28% on the upside. In fact, I should just do a quick review of that, I think. Robinhood, I'll do that. I will do that because a lot of people are going to ask that, aren't they? So what is the time right now? The time now is 1:24. 1:24 hoods. Okay, this is not a review, but I will do a little bit on it just to show you the numbers. Okay, let's go over to here, to here, to here. Ah, thank you, Leah. A nice cup of coffee. All right, let's have a look here. Okay. Robinhood, let's look at the numbers and see if going into the UK is going to make the business money. I've always said it's a 4 to 6x. Kathy Wood believes the same. Let me share with you why I believe that. Okay, so first of all, we'll look at the intrinsic value. Let's go over to the intrinsic value, and you will see, first of all, here, if we look at the base case, we are actually undervalued. And again, we're just landing in the UK today. I'll give you my referral link in a minute, and you can be the very first person in the UK to get your account set up. Best case, which we could enter next year. We're not there yet, of course. We need low interest rates and inflation coming down, which it is, and interest rates are coming down. This is where we'll be next year, but base case is what we need to look at right now. We're 6% undervalued, but that doesn't take into account what's about to happen with Robinhood, because they're going to get all those customers in the UK. They're going to earn money on that. Then they're going to go gold. Then they're going to make money on that. Then they're going to buy the stock, because most people that are in on a stock that use a brokerage tend to buy the stock off that brokerage. Makes sense. I invest in Robinhood. I use Robinhood. I'm a customer of Robinhood. So then we all buy the stock. The stock goes up. So that's good. Worst case scenario, 38% overvaluation. Now, I've always said, consistently, for a high growth stock, I'm always prepared to pay 25% on the base case overvaluation, because a stock always grows into its price. So the worst case scenario, which we're not in at all, which 38%, I say we're in a base case, and I would pay overvaluation of 25%, but in fact we're 6% under. Very, very good. Let me share with you what's really important though. What's really, really important. The revenue is going up, but steadily. It's about to explode, because when the UK get it, they're all going to be in. They're going to be gold customers, and they're also going to be buying the stocks. The revenue is going to go up. This is what's interesting, though, the most important number. The capital expenditure has been coming down. They've done all the work getting the new credit card out, getting all the work getting into the UK. Now, the expenditure is going down, but the income is about to go up. As you can see from the cash flow, it's all about to go up. All right, that looks good. Let's look at the balance sheet. 26.3 billion on assets, 19 billion on liabilities. That's good. Good position. Long-term debt, no long-term debt, just short-term debt. This is very, very good. This is what I'm saying. Their balance sheet is really, really good. Their margins, 92% gross margin, the efficiency of the company, and it's about to get a lot better, because they're going to be spending a lot less and making a lot more money. Very good. Why is the profitability score so low then? It's not that low. 31 is fine. But again, recently they've been spending a lot of money. They're now going to stop spending and earn money. So the profitability score, I am pretty sure, is going to increase over the next quarter tenfold. This is going to go up. Solvency score, again, they have some short-term debt, but no long-term debt. That's a good solvency score. Anything above 30 is quite good. We'd like to see it green and perfect, but it's been investing. It's going to improve dramatically over the next quarter or so. Wall Street targets 161% on the upside. I actually think it's way higher than that, but there you go. Even at 28% on the mid-range, you're beating the S&P, and at worst case scenario, a 2% downside. But again, not taking into account what's about to happen, right? All very good. Let me scroll down and look at this. This is what upset a lot of people who don't understand, those that were on GameStop and who are gamblers. They looked at it and went, Vlad Tenev is selling all his shares. He sold a fraction of his shares. If you look at how many shares he sold, Bat Bahu, the chief creative officer, sold $884,000 worth of Hood. That is absolutely nothing in their case. Absolutely nothing. So don't be concerned about that. But the stock has been going down. They trimmed it back, and that was done on November the 13th. And you watch it go back up again now. So I'm not concerned. I don't like seeing insiders sell, but it's perfectly acceptable to trim off that amount of shares. Not an issue. Not an issue with that at all. What about sentiment? Sentiment right now. Let's scroll down here and look at the sentiment of the stock. Let's look how that's changed over the period of time. Over the last 90 days, there was 36% negativity. Over the last 30 days, 54% negativity, waiting for the UK. When's it coming? The last 7 days, negative has all fallen off. It's all good news now. All good news. Last 7 days. And today, all good news. So it's all about to happen for Robinhood. That's what I believe. That's why I am in. That's why I use Robinhood. That's why I have shares in Robinhood. That's why it's going up today. You can see it. It's quite clear to me that Robinhood is going to do very, very well. Robinhood enters the UK today. If you want to be the very, very first person to get it, I just brought out a video. Robinhood is here in the UK. Very exciting. And here is my X account where I have put the link. I will give you a link for it below and above my head. You can go there and you can get on the list and get Robinhood today or tomorrow. It's about to land, and you can be the very first people to use it. I don't get any benefit out of using my referral. I earn no free stocks at all. I could have waited for that, but I decided, no, I want to give you the chance to be the first on the list. If I go up the list, you go up the list. That's how it works, all right? And I will support you. Click above my head for the link, click below for the link, and over here I'll put more Robinhood videos in the series, things I think you'll find interesting. But Robinhood is about to land in the UK and a 4 to 6x. And as I talk about it, you can see it's consistently going up. It's worth $40 in my opinion. What do you think? Leave me your thoughts and comments below. I will answer everyone's comments with a video. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. That was a question for Chris Pickering. What was value on alpha spread for Hood? I just did that for you. Excuse me. Portfolio nearly green. Is there any fusion reactor stock? I've no idea. That's a very good question. I don't know. Intrinsic value. We looked at it. Good. Batari Kamal on Facebook. How are you? Please turn on your studio color yellow. It would look great. Can you do yellow for 10 seconds? Yeah. Any color you want. Why'd you ask yellow? There we go. What's the point of yellow? Why do you want me to do yellow? What's the point of yellow? There you go. You asked for yellow, you got yellow. What's that for? Any color you want. There you go. 10 seconds. What other colors you want? Pink, blue. I mean, it doesn't matter. Any color you want. Moving lights. I mean, you name it, we can have it. I'm messing around now. I've got to stop messing around. I'm breaking it. There you go. Might be worth topping up now, still below 9. Crag, are you closing off your position to reopen them on Robinhood UK? Hood is 10x, definitely. It's great stock to hold for many years. Added it just below 9. Let's see the next 6 months. Don't think it's a short term. It'll take time. Oh, wait, it's long-term stock, yeah. Chris, how many shares did you pick up on Hood? How many shares did you pick up on Hood? Not many, just can't afford, just what I can afford, only 100. Excuse me. Thanks. What broker are you using? I'm using 212. Can you do any color, even with hex code? Yes. Any color. Limitless. Millions. Millions. I can do gobos, moving beams, intensity, positions. I mean, you name it. Doesn't matter what you want. I can do it. Anyway. Let's come back to here. Now then, Virgin Galactic Investors. We put out a very important video last night. You all need to see it. This is the video. Sensei came in especially and did a special video for you. Share. Here it is. And let me have a look. Copy link. Okay, here it is. Sensei did this video for us last night. Virgin Galactic Investors. SPCE Investors. Must see. Okay, there is the Virgin Galactic video. I've put it in the chat for you to go and check out if you've not yet seen it. You don't want to miss that. All right? Right, we'll be green in a minute. We'll be green in a minute. Not worried. Is Wade Van Eysen in the house? Cham. Is Cham in the house? Let me just do a few of these. Wade Van Eysen, are you here? Are you here? Wade Van Eysen is our new member who joined earlier today. Are you here? I want to upgrade your account. Cham. Is Cham here? Cham, no. Is Stephen here? That's Stephen Wong. No, he's not here. Is Mitch ML here? No, he's not here either. I've got some videos I've made for you guys. Oh, can you do this ice blue? I can't do it right now, Tio Roll. I can't go into the settings and try and do it. Yeah, I can do any color. I mean, literally, it doesn't matter. I mean, I can do any color you want, but, you know, yes. I can, look, I can do any color you want. I can't really do it while I'm setting up the show, but yes, I can do any color you want. Right. Enough of this nonsense, Ree. What is going on here? What sort of show is this? How to use a light show? But yeah, there you go. I can go any level. Anyway, enough of this now. You're leading me astray. You're taking me up a garden path and leading me astray. Boeing got to build 150 military planes for Uncle Sam. Is that right? Please send me the verification for that. And I'll have a look at it. Yes, I'm here. Cham. Okay, Cham, I've got a message for you. I've got a message for Cham. Tech, did you see your video I put out for you? Tech, there is your video. It's out. It's available. You can share it on your social media. Tech is out. Let me give you the link for it. And you can share that or whatever you want to do. All right. I wanted you to know I've done your video. So there you go. At Cham Wickaby. There is your link. All right. There you go. I want to make sure that I make sure everyone knows their videos are done. All right. Oh, we're turning green. I'm going to turn it green because I know it's going to go green. There you go. It's going to be green in a second. I'm not going to go in and out of the green because I know it's going green. Got no doubt about it. Thank you. You're very welcome. It's my pleasure. It's absolute my pleasure. It's always fun to do. Right, Virgin Galactic's going straight back up again. PLTR's too expensive still. Wade Van Eysen. I want Wade Van Eysen to be here. Got a little surprise for Wade. Have you all clicked on my review for Alpha Spread? If you've not yet done it, my members can get a 10% discount, which makes my membership for free, or you can get a free plan for a couple of stocks if you want that. But anyway, let me give you this. Look, it's exciting. Look, Wade Van Eysen is on the Lucasades. Look, this is our very own page on the plan. There's Bill, look, all the team, Queen, Paul Stone, there's Mike, there's Zaxay, and there's Wade Van Eysen with his brand new mug. See it? He doesn't even know he's on there yet. He's famous now. There you go. Just wanted you to know I'd done that. Okay. Come on. There we go. Hey! It's another green day. Okay, so let me share with you the overall portfolio. So there we go. And we are now 60,670. I wouldn't be surprised if I hit 61 or 62,000 today. That could happen. All right. Let me check my positions. Let's see what's moving. We need to have a bit of fun here. Come on, let's do it. Here we go. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say, please stand up. Say, please stand up. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Here we go. Right. Are you ready? We've got 48 watching. Let's call it 50 because you can only get 25%, which is 50%, which would be 25. We've got 40 likes already, which is great. We've done more than the average. This is fantastic. Smash the like button, guys. Let's see if we can beat that. Let's see if we can beat that. Top tip. If you smash the like button, you'll be recommending my content. If you don't like my content, that's fine. Tap the down like button and you'll never see me anymore. That's absolutely fine. I don't mind. We want the most engaged audience. Have you noticed we're getting more and more above the 50% marker every day? It's very, very exciting. All right. There you go. Now, once you're here, make sure that you click the live button. See, I see that. Let me just close that there. Show less. How do I show less? How do I show less? Flipping heck. How do I show less? Let me refresh it. It don't matter. Do it the quick way. There you go. Yeah, there's my shop if you want any of the Virgin Galactic or my iPhone case or whatever, t-shirts, whatever. But if you click the live button here, that will bring you up to date within 30 seconds. If you then click the cogs and go playback speed, that will bring you up to date within 10 seconds of me speaking, which brings you more up to date on the show so you can do all the competitions and everything else. Starting to rally already. Yep, there you go. So 62 watching, smash the like button, fantastic. We do put the show out in 14 different languages. Closed captions in a live show is only in English, but all the videos that go later, they are all in multi-languages. All right? Sensei, are you ready to do a review? Sensei Crypto. Do you want to do that review now for R3? There we go. Portfolio is now, I said it could reach 61 today. There we go. 60,911. Looking good. I'm liking it. Let's see it hit 61 grand. Let's have a look. Okay, now float between tomato red and still grey in 3 seconds intervals. Wins. I can do all that, but I can't do it on my show. Starting to rally already. Indeed it is. Indeed it is. All right. Starting to rally already, Zed Hink. Yeah, looking good. I like it. Right. It could hit 61,000. Shall we see it? Is that a new all-time high? I can't remember now. What did we get to? Is 61,000 an all-time high? I think it is, isn't it? I can't remember now. Can anyone remember? I don't know anymore. Once it went past 50,000, I wasn't bothered. It was like, well, it's all gravy now. It's all gravy now. If you've just tuned in, it's very exciting. Robinhood has arrived in the UK. All of my members, all of my viewers, I'm giving you all the early link so you can all get your Robinhood account set up immediately. There's the link in the chat. I don't get any benefit. I don't get any free stocks. I just wanted you to have the first link when it was first available. I could have waited, could have got referrals, but I said no. I'm bringing everyone the information straight away. So that's what I did. So there it is. And if you click on it, if you click on that link, it'll take you to here. You'll see my X account. You can follow me for all information on Robinhood. You can also then click on here. And if you click on it, it brings you to here. You put your email in and you'll be the first to get it in the world. So you do want to do that because you want to be able to buy Robinhood stock and you do want to be in on Robinhood. So I would strongly suggest you do. Anyway, right, there you go. Just thought I'd give you that. R3. I don't see Sensei here at the moment. Is Sensei in the chat? I don't see him here. Sensei, are you here? Are you here? 62. What was 62? The likes? What's 62 watching? Yeah, I know, Buckaroony. Pretty good, right? Okay. What's moving up now? $221. I want to buy Palantir, but I don't want to buy it here. Apple, NEE, Enphase, 100 now. Coke. Ho, ho, ho! Cannot wait. Cannot wait. J&J. I am just 1% away from the money. 62. Oh, was it? 6. Oh, thank you. 62 was my highest. All right. I couldn't remember. So we are at $1,000 off that then. I couldn't remember. 62. So we are $1,000 off the all-time high. Okay, we got a way to go then, right? All right. Okay. I couldn't remember. Yeah. We could get there. Could easily get there today, actually. I said that my portfolio can double. It has the potential to double. With what I've got, the amount I've got at the lowest prices, which is what they are, my portfolio has the potential to double. Because J&J, for example, I've got $24,000. It's half price. The valuation, the targets, it can double. This is a $300 stock. And we're just waiting for litigation, really, but people are starting to buy in now. And Jim Cramer was completely wrong, and I put a video out explaining that Jim Cramer was wrong. It's going up, so this can double, and if it does, not only that's like even if it just goes up half of what it is, what the potential. There's 12 grand, so my portfolio can double quite easily. When things start to wake up. Virgin Galactic, for example, this is a $4, $5, $6 stock at any point, at any time. Well, if that happens, there's 20 grand on top of the 10. So there's 100 grand right there. That's the portfolio doubled. So it definitely reach 100 grand. Just got to hold it. Have patience. Have patience. Patience is a virtue, right? Anyway, let me check from Robinhood. Let's see if I've got any more information. Anybody else signed up recently? No, not for an hour. Oh, hang on. When was that? 8:05. Yeah, moved up. Oh, hang on. Let me have a look. Make sure. Nothing yet. Let me go over to, let me do this a minute. I want to just check. On TikTok, we're just going to end our TikTok broadcast for the minute. I'll see you all back in a bit, guys. Just ending my TikTok for the minute. The reason for that is I want to go into my UK store. I've got different phones open with Robinhood on different accounts on different stores. Phantom Pizza. I've been gone for a while. When did you buy back into space? When I bought in and out of space multiple times, Phantom Pizza. Where have you been? Where have you been? What's going on? A million things has happened since then. It's lovely to have you back. You're not a member anymore. Would you ever remember? I don't know. I can't remember. But anyway, it's wonderful to see you here. FFIE all started doing dilution. Also, it did that ages ago. Like Mullen, it's market 3 days before. Showing below 10 million now after dilution, showing 24 million plus. It did dilution a long time ago. We're down today 6.5%. Oh, that's what's dragging my portfolio down. Oh, hang on a minute. That's not right. That's not right. Today's return down 25. $825. Oh, I see. 20. That's right. 25. I was looking at it thinking that ain't right. Yeah, this is just a moonbag now. It's not even. I'm not buying any more. I'm not going to chase it down. It is what it is. I'm not going to be concerned about that. Phantom Pizza just said, I think last time your holdings were around $500. Yeah, I've now got 4,216 and 157. Yeah, we made 1,000 videos since then. Phantom Pizza, a long time ago. Yes, and I'm up now 40%, 40.85. Oh, he's back. There he goes.
Phantom Pizza 77 has become a member.
Hey, it's good to have you back. Fantastic, fantastic. All right, I've just given everybody the UK Robinhood. Here it is. You can be the first person to get it on the list. There, I don't get any stocks for sharing that. I didn't want to wait. I just wanted you to get the best deal straight away, so you could get it. All right, I don't get any benefit from that. I just wanted you to have it. So there you go. Now, Phantom Pizza. Since you've been gone, there are many, many perks and benefits that you have now that you didn't have before. I've now added, in addition to we celebrate your birthday, members-only videos, members-only live streams. I will reply to all members' comments. I will reply to all members' comments on social media. You got the newsletter, the birthday celebration, the fundraiser. You can go on the homepage of the YouTube channel, get everyone to subscribe to you. You can do a poll. We also now do reviews. I do all the reviews for Alpha Spread, and they post them above CNBC and Bloomberg, you name it. They love my reviews. If you look down here, we use this software. All my members get a lifetime discount to this software, and my members basically will get my membership for free with the discount that you get on Alpha Spread. Plus, you can set up a free plan as well if you want to. There is the link in the chat. I've given it to you. But they feature all my reviews. I do reviews on every single stock. Look at this. And unlike CNBC or Yahoo or Bloomberg, they cherry pick. With me, they put every single one of my reviews on here. Every one. So you can see all my reviews going down. Look, earnings. I mean, look, more than anybody else. Really, really proud of that. It's a great partnership I have with the best algorithmic software online. No question about it. And you have access to that now with my link there and a lifetime discount. All right. There was something else I was going to give you as well. Oh, yes. I don't know if you're on Discord. Let me give you the Discord link so we can upgrade your account, make you a YouTube member, so you can see all the other stuff that you couldn't get before. There is the Discord link. Can you do a poll, TO Roll? Oh, I forgot to mention, yes, Phantom Pizza. If you want me to go into a deep dive of any stock now, and I will make a 40-minute, 50-minute, even an hour-long video just for you. I will review the stock, look at the news, look at the inside transactions, who's buying and selling on the inside. I've got a full playlist now, folks. If you notice on the homepage of the YouTube channel, look here on the homepage. I've upgraded the homepage because everybody wants the Alpha Spread reviews. I've put the full playlist right here on the top. This is all the reviews of all the stocks that I do, and anyone can have a full review. The balance sheet, the profitability score, the margin score, the lot. Here is the list. Here's the full list. Look, all here now on the homepage of the channel. People asked me for this. They said I can't find it. You could search for it, but now look, just under for you. Live now, upcoming live streams, Alpha Spread reviews. All of my reviews for all the stocks, all are there up on the front of on the homepage of the channel. Pretty good, right? So you can order one of those for free reviews if you want it. I'll make that full video for you. Can you do a poll what else viewers are doing during the show? Can you do a poll what else viewers are doing during the show? I can't put a poll because I wouldn't know what a poll is when you give people the answer. I've got no idea what the answer is, so I couldn't do a poll on that because I don't know what the answers are. I could ask everybody. So everybody, T.O. Roll wants to know. T.O. Roll wants to know. In fact, start a queue, answer viewers' questions here live. What does this do? I don't know what are you doing? This is a bit of a funny question. During the shows. I don't know if this will work. Start a Q&A. I've never used that feature before. What are you doing during the shows? Okay. I've never done that before. I've no idea what's going to happen. But anyway, there it is. I've done that best way I can. Okay, Bernard, I managed to take advantage of the Coca-Cola dip to increase my holdings. Fantastic, congratulations. I'm on Discord, I think, still. Yes, but your account will be downgraded. Can you go... If you're not a YouTube member anymore, you lose all the benefits. So, we've got someone here trying to spam the channel. Look, this is what happens, folks. Phantom Pizza, come on into Discord and I will upgrade your account again. Because right now your account has been downgraded. All right? I'll need to upgrade it. So this is what the sort of rubbish we get here. This is a scammer, right? This person here will now be banned from Discord completely. So I will go down here and I will ban that person there. And I will ban them for everything. Ban. Ban. If you come in and post rubbish, we have zero tolerance. Zero tolerance. If you come in and try to do the everyone sign and all that, you get banned from Discord for life. Article talking about how to transfer shares and benefits. Wade Van Eysen. Wade Van Eysen. Join the show. Hang on. Reply to you. Join the live show. I have a message for you. Okay. Phantom Pizza. Okay, let me just upgrade your account because you've been downgraded while you've been away. Let me make sure I've got everything right. Right, we're now friends. We are now, you are now a member again. Yep, done. Okay, Phantom Pizza, you've got the same nickname. I didn't need to change that. You've got the membership roles and we are friends and you got access to all of the membership perks. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's wonderful to have you back as a family member. R3, what did you want to review? MSK token. There it is. Okay. Why did you throw more money at FFIE? Initially, it was just 150 after you were already not satisfied. Because on the earnings, there was something very interesting. I liked several things in the earnings. If you want that full earnings, go and check it out. On the FFIE playlist, I've got the full earnings. And you can go and see it. Just type Martyn Lucas Investor FFIE earnings and it will come up for you, or look for the playlist. They said some very interesting things. I thought, okay, I'm going to give you a moon bag. So I bought in and I'm not buying any more though. I'm at Man from Earth is laughing about something. I'm at work. All right. So yes, we've got a question here. I don't know how this works. I've never used it before. What are you doing during the shows? If you go into the live chat and select questions, I think you can see it. What do I mean by that? Right. If you go to the live chat, at the top on the live chat, look, there are things called questions. So you can go fan funding. So you can see who's done tips and memberships. If you go to questions, what are you doing during the live shows? I don't know how that works. I've never tried it before. It's there, right? Or I always go live chat. So every single comment is shown to me. That's how I do it. But you can do it any way you like. I'm here. Wade Van Eysen. I am here. Right. Wade Van Eysen. I'm glad you are here. I wanted to share something with you. This is for you. The question I wanted to share with you is, you were the first person to send me a picture in of your new mug. Remember I said the first person who sends me a picture in, I will put you on the homepage of the Lucas Aids on Alpha Spread. Here you are. There's Bill. There's all the team. And there is you, Wade Van Eysen. You are now on the homepage of Alpha Spread, the best algorithmic software in the world. Bloomberg don't have their own page, nor does CNBC, nor do Yahoo Finance, but we do. And all the Lucas Aids who sent me their pictures in. I've only got that many. I can't add any more. I might rotate them at some point, but I don't have access to this. The owner, the CEO, the company is doing this to me as a favor. But Wade Van Eysen, you are there with your mug. So thank you very much for getting one of my Virgin Galactic mugs, and welcome to the family. Brilliant. There you go. I thought you might like that. So that's that. I wanted to tell Wade Van Eysen about that, so let me take that off the list. Robinhood. Sensei review. Is Stephen Wong here? Stephen Wong is not here, and Mitch ML is not here either. We are preparing for a review with Sensei. As soon as he's ready to do that, we will. Overall portfolio now is 61,189. If you remember, my all-time high was 62,000. So we're doing well. Moving up to that again. Martin, be careful. FFIE founder was a scammer. He was banned in China for 3 billion debt and he did not pay, he ran away. R3A, if you send that information through, I will have a look at that. I don't have that information. If you've got verification of that information, please send that to me and I would like to see it. All right. So if you've got that information, send that through to me. I don't see that. Do you have an eCam link for me, Martin? Oh, man, I haven't done that yet. Let me see if I can create it now. Let me see if I can create that now, Sensei. Hang on. I promised Sensei something. I'm going to try and do it now. Preferences. Just bear with me. Interview. All right, just bear with me. Okay. I'm creating this for you now if I can. Martyn Lucas live interview. Just doing something for Sensei, folks. This is just the first time I've done this. Sensei, we could just try it out in a second then. Can you just stand by then for me? Okay. Sensei, Sensei, go into Discord. Go into Discord. I'll give you the link that I've just created. Here we go. This is only a temporary thing, but just click on that. I'm just going to try and join myself. That's a little ring. Right, Martyn is joining. Okay. Flipping heck, yeah. It works. Right. Okay, Sensei, if you go in there, see if you can join in. I then need to create a... Yeah, I'm not quite sure at the minute what it will do. You'll come in. Yeah, Sensei, just try and use it. Just try and use that as a link. See how it's going to work. I need to then create a options. Let's do window. Just setting this up now. Interview. There you go. You have... Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Not quite sure how this will work yet. We're just trying something out to give everyone a better experience to phone into the show. But we're going to try it with Sensei first of all. Aha, I see. So that will be there. So right, once Sensei calls in, I'll create something. In the meantime, I'm just going to keep my eye on the stocks a minute. Okay. This is the new service that we're going to do now. Should be interesting to see what happens. All right. It's going to be interesting to see. Virgin Galactic is up. Palantir going down. Gold is down. S&P is down. Amazon is going down. Good. I want all this to go down. I'd love to buy $5,000 of Apple, $5,000 of Amazon, but not at this price. Enphase Energy to 100 is holding. Coca-Cola going up. J&J! Oh, 0.8 away. Fantastic. It's a double stock. It's a 2x. And we're just $200 away now. Oh, this is going to be good. Look at this now. 1 week, 1 month. Yeah, it's starting to turn now. Starting to turn. Come on. Can't wait. I bought this at the bottom, and it's a 2x. Just got to hold it and have patience. All right. Let's bring in some of these comments. We are trying a few things out this morning. Let's have a look. Seth, I also own landscape company in Florida. Glad I don't deal with leaves. I like that. Yeah, we all know about the bloody leaves. They're flipping. They come tomorrow every Friday. They come around the house, they cut the grass and blow all the leaves on the neighbour's garden. It's like this guy. I said, rubbish. Why aren't you picking them up? Anyway, Seth Houston. Here he is, Seth. I got your dad's link, by the way. I'm going to do that for you. I'm going to have a look at that soon and get everyone to check his business out. I just received the most lovely home-cooked baked goods from a 90-year-old customer. God bless her heart. Sometimes I just really love people. That's right, mate. Hang on. I'm currently at work right now blowing leaves. He's blowing leaves. What a silly job that is. It's ridiculous, isn't it? Seth Houston has still got his little beard and all he's doing is blowing leaves around. You need to get a proper job, mate. You need to get a proper job. Or pick the leaves up would be better. Flipping blowing leaves around. Unbelievable. Anyway, I'm currently at work right now blowing leaves. In response to the question. In response to the question. Okay, 1 minute. Sensei's going to call in. That's been a long flipping minute. I just received the most lovely home-cooked goods. ARK Group loves Hood. They do. When is the Rocket Lab launch? It's been put off now for a while. A few weeks. I'll update you. It's actually... I've got some information here about it. It is... The answer to your question is the 13th of December. 2 weeks away. And thank you, Martyn, very much. It's Martyn with a Y, by the way. If you're going to talk to me, at least spell my name correctly. You're very welcome, mate. It's no problem. I'm loving it. Anyway. We're waiting for Sensei to call in. He said it'd be a minute. That was some flipping minute, that was. That was ages. Flipping heck. We've just gained 30 subscribers in the last 10 minutes. I just refreshed this. It was 12,164. Look at this. 12,196. 30 subscribers in the last 5 minutes. I just refreshed it and went, oh my God, it went round 30. That was pretty wild. 7,000, 8,000. Whoa, what the hell? 8,000. Whoa. Woo. Look at this. Hang on a minute. What's going on there? What's going on there? A trading account. What's going on there? Why has that changed? That's better. I blame Sensei. It's Sensei's fault. No, look at this. I wanted to share. Look, 8,000 views. All of a sudden, the channel's just gone bonkers this morning. 776 on the Virgin Galactic, 332 looking at the Robinhood. Oh my gosh. It's exciting, isn't it? Right. Oh, hello. Right. Sensei is joining. Let me turn that on. I can see you, mate. I can see you. Oh, he's got his big smiley face. He's looking very happy this morning. We love it. Now then. So I can see you. You phoned in. You look good. Everything's good. Now what I got to do is work out how I add this. Right. Solo. Let me just do a few things here.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Yep, I can hear you.
Oh, you've got to mute something. You've got to mute something. You've got. I can hear myself coming through. So turn YouTube off. Done it?
YouTube is off.
Right. Okay. I can't. It's good now. I don't hear myself anymore. That's good. Say something.
No, I think it's still going to come through.
No, it's not. It's perfect.
No, it's not. It's perfect.
Oh,
Oh.
okay. That's weird. I obviously don't want to hear you phone in. I don't want to hear myself. That's kind of strange. Okay. You muted the guest. No, I don't want to mute the guest. Just bear with me a minute, Sensei. I'm going to build up right. What I've got to do is I've got to make a new scene. So let me do this now. Let me duplicate this scene. Right. So we'll call this interview. I'm going to have to build something now. Right. Interview. We'll call it that. Right. And I need to add a overlay. So if I add, I'll call you guest one. Right. And if I add, where should I add? I add a overlay camera. Let me have a look. So if I add guest one now, you're going to come up as me. Look, there's the background. There's you as the background. I don't want that. That's not right. Okay, I've got you as the background, so I'm going to change that. This is an overlay. So I want to add that. I want to add an overlay. Okay, so I'm going to add a camera. Just bear with me. There I am. There's me. But I will change that to dear old Sensei. There we go. Put him in there. Camera link. And we'll call that guest one. Hey! Look, there he is. There he's on the screen. Okay. Now, what shall we do? What shall we do? We'll make him in a circle. No, we don't like circles, do we? We want to use I'll improve all this later on. I'll make it much better than this, but there we go. So I can put him, say, somewhere here. I mean, I can adjust it and do all kind of things, right? I can put him like that in the middle of the screen. Say we're discussing the stocks. I'll make some tweaks of this. It won't look like this, right? Okay, I can see you now. Then you muted the guest. So if I he's turned himself off now. You've disappeared, Sensei. Where you gone? You there? He's turned himself off. Right. So we'll come back to that when he comes back in again. Interview. There you go. We'll come back to that when he phones back in again. All right. We're just building you a new system where you can call into the show. And I've just lost him for a minute, so not to worry. I think he's messaging me. No, he's not. All right. Where are we? We're red again in the studio. I'm not going to turn the studio red, though, because there's no need for that. We're going to be bouncing around that red and green all day now. It's an unsettled day. You can see that. S&P's going down. Amazon's going down. Apple's going down. NEE holding. Enphase. Coca-Cola. J&J just keeps going up. I'm only 0.59 away now. Kenvue is going up with it. Chevron. Tesla. Oh, I think I know, Sensei, why. Oh, not talking to him, am I? I know why that wasn't working. You got to be on headphones when you call in using that service because it's picking up your microphone. Because it uses a browser, you have to be on headphones. That's why I could hear you. I understand that now. That makes sense. You have to be on headphones for that to work. Or on a mobile device. A mobile device can separate the audio from the microphone. McDonald's, Google, Microsoft. Let's have a look at this. I've just built this. Yeah, Sensei, are you there? I've lost him. I think he's lost the internet. Don't know where he's gone. Anyway, look, I've built this. I've got this. This is good. You're going to like, that's going to look good. How about that? You like that? That looks good, doesn't it? We'll wait for him to come back. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco. I might end the show now and put these videos out and then talk to Sensei off air. I don't know if he's there. Let me bring up these questions a minute. So, yes, leaf removal home is definitely a bitch, but it pays good. There you go. And thank you very much. My pleasure. I'm currently driving right now through the Lake District. Oh, I love the Lake District. Beautiful place. The value of alpha spread just went up with my picture on there. It did. Absolutely right. You're dead right there. Yeah, the portfolio is definitely green now. Whoa, that looks amazing. What was that? The link? The interview link? Here he is. Sensei's calling in again. Right. Sensei, are you going to stay online this time? Stop messing me about. You need to use, the reason with the audio is you need headphones because it's picking up the microphone, the speaker. So look, I've just built this. While I was talking and doing stuff, I built this. Look, this is how we're going to do it. Bear with me. I've just built this. Where did I just put it? Interview. Here you go. Look at that. Look at that.
Can you still hear the echo?
Yes, I can still hear the echo. I can still hear the echo. Right? Because you're using a browser, I can hear you. I can see you. It looks great on the screen. Absolutely fantastic. But in fact, I can't hear myself now. You're muting when I'm speaking, are you?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So you can do that, or you just use headphones because it's a browser. Your microphone is picking up the audio from the browser. If you're on a mobile device, it works because a mobile device knows about people speaking and talking. It's built as a telephone, right? But a browser doesn't know that. So for it to work on a browser, you need an earpiece. So what you can do is attach, if you've got a pair of headphones to plug into your computer, then it would work fine.
Yeah, I can do headphones. The only other issue is it doesn't allow me to use my eCam as the camera. So it doesn't actually let eCam. I don't know. I'm trying to say it doesn't let me bring up all my screens and stuff. It doesn't let me have eCam as the... So I think we should sort it out. I'll try to sort it out later, but it doesn't let me use eCam as the source.
Yes, it will do because you've got to turn on eCam, you've got to turn on what's called virtual camera. If you turn on virtual camera, then that'll be detected by your browser. Does that make sense? Okay, brilliant. But it works. Look how cool that looks. Look how cool that looks. What does everybody think about this? So we've got a new service we're building out so you can call live into the show, a higher quality even better than before. And yeah, Sensei, I'll let you get on with that. If you can get some headset system sorted out, earpiece or whatever, then that will fix that. Whether you use your earpod, your Apple Pods, Apple whatever they're called, earbuds, whatever they're called, AirPods, that's the name of them. Or you can and turn on your Ecamm Live as a virtual camera. It'll be detected. You might need to tell Google Chrome to look for a virtual camera. There's different settings that do that. But we're good. We're moving forward. All right. I'll speak to you in a bit, mate. There we go. Bye-bye. There you go. Nothing like doing it on a live show, is there? We love it. There we go. We always bring you the best, don't we, eh? Okay. And yeah, I can even, we'll do it later. I was going to say, there's lots of things I can do to that, but I can do that later. I'll leave Sensei. He's on the line still. He's still sitting there, and that's fine. And we can see if he can get his Ecamm working. Right, Virgin Galactic's going up. Let's have a look. Robinhood, ouchie. Let's have a look. What's ouch about Robinhood? Why is that ouch? I'm up 2% on it. It's just some profit taken before the big push. What's ouch about it? So what? So what? It's down 0.5%. I don't care. Get yourself some headphones. I know you can afford it. Exactly. Sends Jordan Allen. Get yourself some bloody headphones. Look, while all this is going on, I can nip in and out of the thing here. Look, watch. I can bring this up. Look, I can bring Sensei in and out as much as I want. Hey, there he is. Look, and I can change him to all sorts of stuff. I can do all sorts here. I can mute him. I can. What happens if I add him to the right? Look at that. I've stuck him over there. I've added him to the left. Look. Ah, I see. It just moves him around the screen. I can do all sorts here. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Yeah. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. But for now, though, the way we're going to do it is we're going to use an interview screen like this. We're going to use an interview screen like this. Yeah. How about that, everybody? He's thinking, why do you keep bringing me into the show? I just want to do my own thing and be left alone. I feel like I'm Big Brother here. I can't be left alone. Sensei, I'm going to leave you alone. I'm going to leave you alone now. There you go. He's going, yeah, thank you very much. I want to scratch my ear and pick my nose or something. He doesn't want to be seen on the telly. Brilliant. All right, there we go. Get yourself some headphones, Jordan Allen says. Robinhood investors getting twitchy, Buckaroony. Why on earth would you get upset about the whole of the UK and Europe about to get, involved? I don't know. Anyway, looks great. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Do you? It's good, isn't it? It's good, isn't it? Well, if you're loving it, you know what I'm going to say, right? Don't just say it. I know how much money you got, mate. You got 10 houses, 5,000 holidays. Get yourself an I'm loving it mug. Or be the very first person to get a proper hand embroidered. It's not hand embroidered. It's embroidered by a machine, but it's embroidered. It's not a sticker. It's not a print. That is real embroidery. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty in that. I'm loving it. Hey, how about that? Anyway, get on the shop. Get yourself sorted out. So, Sensei, I can see you in the green room. Are you just going to sit there or what? Are you just trying to work it all out? Just give me a nod. Is that what you're trying to do? You're trying to work it all out? Oh, he is. He's trying to work. I'm thinking, why is he hanging on the line if he doesn't want to come on the show? What's all that about? Just wants to be close to me, see? He wants to be as close as possible without actually being on the show. Will Hood go to France? They're going all over Europe. So, yes, I'm sure they will. Looks like he has a decent microphone. You say he has a decent microphone. He doesn't have one as good as me. Do you want to see what I got? Do you want to see what I got? I'll show you a decent microphone. Best microphone in the world. Look at this. Look at this. This. Look at this bad boy. This is a Neumann. Look at that Neumann, hand built from Germany. in a nice wind protective sock and a grill because it's so nice. There you go. Look at my Neumann. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. He hasn't got one of them. He hasn't got one of them. I'll tell you that. All right. That's when I'm singing. That's when I'm singing. I use that. He hasn't got one of them. Right. Okay. Let me shut that down and let's move this over here. Let's put that down there. Move that over there. Just doing some adjustments now. I've got to readjust. Now I've got Sensei taking over my show. I've got to do all these adjustments. Right. Okay. We're breaking all-time highs again. I think I'm going to get off and put together these videos and get them out. Have I got any more comments that I've missed? Let's have a look. That's great. Looks like I'm loving it. Looks like he has a decent microphone. I have a HyperX microphone, and with noise cancelling turned on and sensitive on the mic set, he shouldn't be having that problem. All right. Yeah, gone postal. Are you still holding the bag? Yeah, still holding the bag. Still breaking all-time records. Yeah, here he is. We get people coming every flipping day. Look, yep, breaking all-time records again. Well, I say that. We hit 62,000 yesterday, so we're up to there. We're not there again quite yet, but we soon will be. Yep, still holding the bag. Still beating the market, still beating Warren Buffett. What can I say? But, yep, Valentine C is determined to bring the mood down, except he never will. Hey, Martin, I would like to get J&J for further portfolio stability. However, should I wait for a red day to buy? Randy B. Well, let's have a look at it. Let's discuss. Look at this now. Let me be absolutely clear. Absolutely clear. Randy B, this is the best time to buy it. I am still down 0.35, so you're buying it lower than my average. And I am all in. With 8% margin, I'm all in on J&J. Look, I've got $24,000 of it. It's my biggest position, and I'm still down 0.35. So you can buy it cheaper than my average. Now, admittedly, I have my lowest price. My lowest price is 145. My lowest price is 145, way lower than this. However, I had it higher. I never sold. I just kept buying and reducing my averages. So you can actually get it a lot cheaper. You can get it cheaper than my average. So it's only going up from here, in my opinion. The dividends alone, it's a dividend king, it keeps increasing. The only reason why it went down was because of the litigation, which is all getting solved. This stock can double. So do you want to wait for a red day? I would say, well, let's have a look at the ex-dividend day. If you can get in now and get on the dividends, then it might be worth it. Let me have a look for you. Let me just make some adjustments here. Just made some adjustments. The market is crashing, told you to sell. You know what? It's ridiculous. I can't be doing with this, people coming in saying silly stuff. How is the market crashing when I'm beating the market nearly every single day? Oh my gosh. I'm going to members only. I can't be doing with all this rubbish. I can't be doing with people making up silly stories and taking my time away. There we go. Members only. Boom. Let's be done with that nonsense. I like your screens, Martyn. They look mint. Give us a tour of your studio. Which screens is that? What would you referring to? Yeah, okay. At the end of the show in a minute, I'll give you a tour of the studio. Jordan Allen. Oh my God, Mike, your studio looks amazing, 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 superb. Martyn, you need a clip on the microphone for when you walk around the studio. Couldn't hear you. That's the point, Pete Barker. It's because you want that atmosphere. Look, I'll share. Look, I can do that. Flipping heck. Look, I've got microphones everywhere. Look, let me put the spotlight on a minute. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. Don't worry about that. Look. Got extra screens here. Look, there you go. Turn that one round. I got this microphone. Right. Right. I've got this microphone when I'm singing. And I've got this microphone. There's microphones everywhere. Look, see, we change cameras, we change scenes, we do different things. We go into the piano, we put the piano lights on. In come the piano lights. There we go. There you see, loads of microphones. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. There you go. We can change all the foots. Anyway, I'll give you a full tour of the studio later on. I'm not doing that now. Not doing that now. I refuse. You can't make me. Can't make me do it. And the reason why I don't wear a clip microphone is because I like, you know, when you get a live radio show and they move around the studio and they go out of microphone, I think it gives a sense of realism and humanism and an atmosphere that it's real. Oh, Sensei's calling in again now. This is gonna be a constant thing now, isn't it? He's just gonna keep calling into my show. This is gonna drive me up the wall, isn't it? He's got a direct line onto my show. I should have never given him the link. I should have never given Sensei the link. He's gonna be calling in every 5 minutes now, and there ain't nothing I can do to stop it. Look at this. Interview screen. There he is. That's add left. Oh, hang on. Assign to guest one. There he is, look. I can hear you. I can see you. Right. There you go. How do I mute you? Guests muted themselves. Unmute yourself, Sensei. You're muted. I can't hear you. I muted the guest. Guest has muted themselves. All right, unmute yourself now, Sensei. That's good. Look at you, your fancy screen. Look at him, look. Come back to your camera. It says you've muted yourself. Speak.
Can you hear me?
Yes. I can hear you.
Can you hear me? I can't hear you, which is I'm trying to sort out.
That's because you can't. Yeah, you need to get the headphones, I think, to make it work properly. But someone just said, apparently, with your microphone, you should be able to select noise cancellation to get rid of the other noise. I don't know. I've not got your microphone. I haven't got a USB microphone. I've got a real microphone that plugs into a valve amp, a real singer's microphone. I don't know how yours works. Anyway, Sensei, it looks good. Oh, what's he doing now? He just says 1 minute.
I can't hear anything.
Can you hear me now? I tell you what, it looks very good though, doesn't it? Look at this, very professional. And I can run all the flags that back here, look. Bring your camera back on, Sensei. Come on, sort your life out, mate. Anyway, I'm going to get back to the, look, I'm losing all my viewers now. Everyone's going, I'm sick of this. This isn't professional, is it? We're doing it live so everyone can see how we're building it. But anyway, I will come back to Sensei in a minute. I'm going to go back to the main trading screen for the minute. But you can see how good it's getting. It's going to be really good when he can sort himself out. How about that? Okay. Virgin Galactic 226. Yeah. Looking good. Hey, Valentin, what stocks are you shorting? He keeps on trying. I've only been watching the show a couple of days, but I already see Valentin is the resident villain. Always needs to be a couple of those. Yeah. It makes it exciting, Gone Postal. It's all part of it, mate. It's all part of the atmosphere. If you think, yeah, whatever. I don't know if we need it too much. But anyway. It's all part of the game, innit? Thanks, Martin. You're very, very welcome. What did I do? Oh, I'm answering his question about J&J. Yes. Yeah, Valentine, you know the Dow Jones is up 300 points. I don't think he cares about that. He just wants to talk rubbish. J&J dividend payout on December. Oh, okay, here we go. That's what I was going to do. J&J dividends. Here we go. Let me come back to J&J for the moment. J&J. Here we go. Band on the run. J&J. Here we go. Johnson & Johnson. So the ex-dividend date has passed. Yeah, the ex-dividend date has passed. So actually, this is extra bullish. Extra bullish because the ex-dividend date, if I share with you on the screen here, the ex-dividend date was the 20th of November. So we've passed that date. The payout is on the 5th of December, $1.19 per share, and yet it's going up. So people aren't buying it for the dividend. So that's even better. That's even better. It's going up, $1.19. Look, it keeps increasing. Look how it's grown. 90, 95, 101. 106, 113, 119. It keeps going up. That's why it's a dividend king like Coca-Cola. And it's going up today even though the ex-dividend date has passed, which is even more bullish because there's not a reason to buy it just to gain the dividend, right? So there you go. Very, very good. Awesome studio. Matthew Kelly, thank you very much indeed, mate. Make a video of the tour of your studio. It's on my music show. Have you ever been on the music show and seen all of it? Oh my God, your studio looks like Tony Stark Experimental Lab. Yeah. You a woman R3A. Are you a woman? Think you fancy Martin. Sensei, you busy trading GameStop? Sensei, I have no idea what he's up to. Whatever you do, Martin, don't want to be breaking wind with all those mics around the place. Very true. Very, very true. It's all right. They checked. Oh, hello. Yeah, I've got the all clear. Yes, I did. Oh, my dear, oh, dear. Pulled the trigger on J&J 30 shares. Dividend is on the 5th. Yes, but you've missed the ex-dividend date, Randy. But it's extra bullish, the fact it's going up and dividends aren't the reason. So that's very good. The host turned off audio processing for this session. Headphones are strongly recommended to avoid an echo. The host has turned off audio processing for this session. Headphones are strongly recommended to avoid an echo. Ah, okay. Hang on. Sensei, I'll fix that. I'll fix it. Flipping hell, it's turned into the Sensei show. It's turned into the Sensei show, folks. This has. Let me go. Interview. Customize. I can't believe I'm doing this. Play a ring chime. Auto answer guess. Send guest to green room. Lower music and movie sound for guess. Lower music and movie sound for guess when in off-air mode. Guess will hear movie and sound effects at a lower volume. Don't need that. Guess, view, broadcast. Host camera, okay. Customize. Okay. Show view account, allow. Turn off audio processing. Okay, I've turned it off. Sensei, phone in again. I've turned off audio processing. Sensei, call in again. Call in again. I'm excited. Call in again. Call in again. I've turned it off now. Unbelievable. I don't see why I should have to do this. Martyn, you have got this song stuck in my head. Here he is. He's calling in. I get the little ringtone, which tells me that Sensei has arrived. I let him in. I assign him to guest number 1. All right. I move down to my scene, which I've just created. It'll get better later on. And there he is.
Hello.
I can hear you.
Can you hear the echo?
Only a tiny little bit.
Okay. Maybe, can you try turn it on again, the noise cancelling, the thing you just turned off?
What is this? Whose show is this? You want me to turn it back on again?
Yeah, because it says the host has turned off audio processing. So it suggests that you need to turn it on.
Hang on,
it was on before.
Testing 1 2. Okay. I can just about hear it in the background, but hardly at all, to be honest. It's a lot better than it was. I'll look again for the preferences, customize the preferences, turn off audio processing. Yeah, I've turned it off.
Okay.
I can let me turn it back on again. Oh, I've got a disconnect. Guest must reconnect. Okay, disconnect all guests. Reconnect, Sensei. Reconnect. Reconnect. Phone in again. I like the little ringtone. I get a little ringtone. I like the little ringtone. Tells me he's here. Oops. There you go. No, I can still hear it.
You can still hear it. Okay. Well, I can always try with headphones or turn this down a bit.
Turn off audio turn off an interview guest microphone will have audio processing disabled. Use a higher bit rate and provide a stereo option. Note that since the guest echo cancellation will be disabled, headphones must be used. Chrome browsers as a desktop is required. Okay, you are using Chrome in a desktop, right? So I need this to be off like it was. So I'm going to do that again. It makes it better because you don't need the higher quality because you're not singing at me. At least I hope you're not going to start singing to me. So I do the singing. So let me save that. Okay. Right. Disconnect again. Let's try it again, Sensei. Call in again. We should be there now. Okay. Bring him in. Drop him in there. There you go. Testing.
Hello, hello, hello.
1 2 3. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's working.
Oh, amazing.
There you go. Now, so is that your Ecamm Live now?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Look how professional we are, everybody. Look at this. Put the like up. Smash the like, Sensei. Smash the like. You could do it. Oh, yeah. You still haven't moved it, by the way. It's still in the same place I told you earlier. You need to move it to the left. If you move that, you can start having it over your face. There, finally, he's done it. Bloody hell. That only took about 3 months. Did it in about 1 second. There you go. Come back to the main camera so we can see you and you can share. Look at that. I love it. Sensei, we've done it.
Amazing. Live on the show.
Live on the show. So we can do a review. We haven't got, I don't know if we've got time now, have we? It's a bit late. I was going to end the show now anyway and get off. But this is good. You might want to get rid of Smash the Like now, though. Just leave him there for 20 minutes. Yeah. Pay attention what's going on here, Sensei. You need to be a bit more on the ball here, mate. It'd be quite good. I tell you what would be quite good as well. If you're going to do an interview with me like this side by side, you could do a zooming in your camera. So you're sort of the same, because you look like you're tiny little. There you go. And now make you go up a bit. And see? There you go. Isn't that better, everybody? That's better. Looking good, Sensei. I'm loving it. So what does everybody think? Can I have everybody in the chat, please? Tell me what you think of this. It's a new feature that we've got. It's a much more professional way of calling in. You can all do this when I give you the link. I just haven't given you the link yet, and I might not. Depends how nice you are. If you're not nice to me, I won't give it you. You can call in, and we can. Sensei can share his screens. You can do the same thing. You don't require Discord. This is but this will only be a members thing. I'm going to give this link to only members, so I'll find a way to share it. It'll probably be in a members only video. I think that's the way to share that link. Anyway, Sensei, got you live on the show, looking very, very good. The quality of the camera looks even better. The sound. You got to give us something, Sensei. What's up today? What's new? Now we've got it all working. We've gone to all this trouble. What's going on?
Yeah, I was looking into the request made by R3A. We'll get to that review shortly. I mean, maybe on the closing bell or tomorrow. But it's a very low market cap coin. It's a $20 million market cap coin. So there's not much data against the US dollar on TradingView. We can look at it on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to get some idea on the technicals. We'll have a look at the website as well. It's just as much as we can do, just because it's such a small market cap coin. There's not enough data to do a proper full analysis, but we'll do the best we can with it. So thank you for the request. And yeah, I mean, the markets are looking good. We did say on the Sunday show that we might start getting a pullback from the S&P 500, a little move up and then back down. So maybe we got the move up yesterday, or maybe it'll continue, but it looks like we might be on the verge of sort of a reversal. It could just be a pullback to bring us to keep the move strong. But yeah, we'll look forward to it. We'll do some more chart analysis. I'll call in more and give you my thoughts. But yeah, it's good to have it up and running, and then I can start calling in like this and be part of the show and give my thoughts. So yeah.
I was just going through a few different images and the way we can actually share it. But yeah, this is really great. I can put the charts behind you. I can show my screens behind you. It's very, very exciting. Let's see what the comments are. Let's have a look. R3A, magic. Whoa, amazing. Now I'm going to have to move the comments, look, because we don't want to put them right over Sensei's head. We don't want to do that. We'll have to fix that. We can't do. Or maybe I do. Maybe I just put the comments right over his face. I mean, I don't know. Looks very professional. James 007, very professional. Pete Barker, he's loving it. Can you give me your comments, please? What do you think of this? See, right now, I can make this. I can do all sorts. There's so much here I can do. I'm so excited by it. I can do, let's say, for example, in fact, I'll do it later. I can't do everything on air, but this is good. Thank you, Sensei, for taking the time to work that out for me. As I've got you here, we might as well just ask very quickly. Did everyone see the Virgin Galactic video last night? We put out a really great video from Sensei, I thought. And let me share with you on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about.
The link's in the chat.
Very good. He jumped on it. He's trying to get 150. He's trying to get 150. See, look, Mr. Mini-Me was in the wrong place, but we're never going to see that again, are we, Sensei? We're never going to see that again. That's been sorted. And so go and check that out. He's put the link in the chat. And as we've got Sensei here, we'll just share with you on the screen where SPC is. You can see it's going up again today. And just, Sensei, tell me about this 227 position that people have been talking about. If it breaks that, it's significant. What do people mean by that, Sensei?
So I don't think that number was given from me, but...
No, it wasn't from you. No, it wasn't from you. So don't worry, I'm not going to hold you account to it.
227 is basically the highs of this move of the last 2 days. So we hit 227 today, we hit 227 yesterday, and we haven't moved above it. So I think people are just looking for a break of the highs of today and yesterday. I think obviously there's more. I think 230 is probably more significant, and then we start looking at areas to potentially where it gets a bit more risky and it might have a chance of pullbacks of 250, which was our target since 150, and then obviously we're looking at that $4 level as well. But yeah, I think what people are looking at for the $2.27 is just consistently making new highs. Showing strength in the stock, not going lower than now. We don't want to see a price lower than $1.90, and we want to see a price higher than the highs that we got last week on that really big push up. So we want to start seeing 235 being broken. So yeah, we just want to see this momentum continue going up.
Yeah, I agree with you. I'm just sharing on the screen the way, we're looking at now, seeing that it's constantly setting new support levels. It looks really good. I'm very happy with this, and it's healthy to have a certain amount of movement in the stock. You don't want just a straight line. We're not looking for a GameStop, massive great pump and then drop it. Nobody wants that. I mean, gamblers do. Those who don't believe in the company do. But as someone who own the company, I want to see it grow over time with a sustainable support on the way up, and then the business grow. And yes, once we get to $5-6, we will, and not 100%, but the chances are we will get some kind of adjustment. There's some dilution. They don't have to, and they've said they don't need to, but they probably will exercise that right, as Andy Shovel explained to us when he spoke to the investor, the investor relations manager. That was always a potential thing they could do. I tell you, Sensei, while you're here, while you're with me right now live, it wouldn't be a bad idea. Go into the camera settings of your camera, on Ecamm Live, and what you can do is you go to the camera settings and just take some of the I think it's saturation out, right? So your face will get less colored. You'll match me because you're very brightly. Your saturation. There you go. Somewhere in between. There you go. See, we're never going to match perfectly. It's impossible. But now your skin tones are more natural. They're not bright orange. You don't look like you've just had a suntan or anything like that. There you go. It's getting better and better all the time. Someone just suggested Sensei needs some special lighting effects. It's a very different setup. We're not going to be the same. We're not going to have the same studio. But what I do like, look how beautiful it looks out of Sensei's window there. That beautiful blue in the sunset there. Absolutely beautiful. All right, Sensei. Yeah, look at that. Let's see. Yeah, you leave it in the middle. Don't you mess up. Oh, you've just dropped it a bit. Make it up again. Up to the other way, to the left, bit more. Spot on. Leave it right there. Very good. All right, Sensei, thanks for taking part in that bit of cash in the attic. Oh, I forgot about that. James 007 just reminded me.
Bring that back. It's fine.
Let's bring it back.
That's in the past. No longer.
Oh, no. We're bringing that back. That ain't in the past. It's back in the future right now because I've said it. He's thinking, I was trying to get rid of that. Right. Why don't you guys come in the same studio for a podcast? Well, Sensei's all the way over there in England, and I'm here in Dallas, Texas. So it's going to cost him about $2,500 to fly here. He might as well just phone in like this. I think it works. This is a better option, really. Anyway, Sensei, thanks for being on the show. I'm very keen to do this review for R3, who did do a super chat. When are you available to do that, do you think? You're muted.
Sorry, we can do it in the closing bell if that works.
On the closing bell. That'll be wonderful. Thank you. R3, make sure that you join us then for the closing bell. And we're going to be just like this. I'll make a few tweaks between now and then, but we'll do a review for you for your MASK, I think it was. Thank you, Sensei, for your time. Thanks for calling in, mate.
Brilliant. Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.
Cheers,
Bye,
mate. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go. That was great. Oh, I want to change that. Did you see how that went out really quick? Let's fix that straight away. If I come back to the interview screen, Sensei might not be there now. There he is. Let me do a transition. So options, transition, slow cross dissolve, back into here. There we go. I think I want to make that slower. Let me do that slower. That was too quick. Let me go into interview screen and options, transition, and I want a slower crossfade. Let's try that again. So Sensei will be in there and I'll be, that's beautiful. That's lovely. Superb. Thanks for all your support. You're very, very welcome. That will be in the show for you later on this afternoon. Right. I've got to get out of here. Thanks for all taking part. Let me wrap up the show then. I think we're all good. Sensei was in the broadcast lounge. He's in Discord. He's still in there. Let me get in there and close that down now. We don't need that anymore. There we go. He's out. He's still there, but I've closed it down now. Right. That's all taken care of. Let's wrap up the show. Great today. We've learned a lot. We're in the green. Everything's good. Our portfolio is looking good. Virgin Galactic is good. Yes. 2 dear Apple going down. Lovely. Can't wait. If Apple can go down, that's 2% now over the last week. Apple needs to round off this curve for me before I buy it. I want to buy Apple. I'd like to own it long term, but I'm not prepared to pay this price, and I'm not going to. You can't make me do it. Okay, Coca-Cola, J&J. That's it. I think we're good. Let me. I'm just excited because we've learned some more things today, and we've improved some things. So it's really good. Now then, is Jordan Allen here? Is Jordan Allen? He asked me a request, and I said I would do it at the end. Are you here? Jordan Allen, are you here? You asked me for a request, and I said at the end I would do it. So just before I go, I'm going to give everyone again the chance for this. Robinhood is now in the UK. If you want to be the first to get it in the world, here is there is the link. Jordan says he is here. Okay, stand by, Jordan. That will take you to my X account. There's my X account. Now, I could have given you the review. I could have given you the link when I got the program, so I would then earn free stocks. But I decided to give it to you straight away to give you the opportunity to get in. So I don't get any benefit out of it. So please do go onto that link and repost it and share it for me, so I can get as many people in as possible. I'm not getting anything out of it other than going up the list with you guys. But I wanted to do that rather than have you waiting for me to get in and then give you the link, which I get free stocks. I wanted to get you the best service, and that's the best way I've done it. If you click on that there, let me just check if I've got any comments. It'll bring you to here. You put your email in, and you'll be the first to get it. All right. So I can leave that there for the minute. Let me close that down. There's Robinhood is here in the future. There it is. I want to thank everyone who joined me on Kick. I've now got 10 followers. I'm trying to get to 75. Don't abandon YouTube, but please do see if we can get to 75. It'd be kind of cool. We've done that. Where is it? 12,196. That's good. 8,500, nearly 9,000 now. 410 through today's show. What was it I wanted to share with you? That's it. Right. I want to answer any questions. We've got some great stuff here from Zach. Can't wait to share this with you. He's already sharing it, which is wonderful, but I'm going to make a video on it. So that's all coming out soon. He's really happy to share what Sensei's been doing to support his very worthwhile cause, but I will be making a video on it soon. Right. So Jordan Allen requested at the beginning of the show, we're going to finish up now. He wanted a look around my studio, so I'm going to do that for you now. So let me clear the decks, right? So this is my main camera here. And either side of here, I've got actually, I think, 16 screens in this studio. All right. There's 2 screens here. I'll show you them all, but I'm looking right down at this camera lens, which is a Sony camera. It's got a special lens on it. I forgot the name of it now. It's all on my Amazon shop, by the way. It's a really big camera. It's a lens about that long. It's quite long, but it gives me this soft bouquet behind me, so the background's blurred. It auto focuses. Look, that's the back of the studio. Let me just change to a regular color. Let me just put pink on right now. I've got a spotlight above me, and I've got 2 spotlights either side, which are moving heads. If you watch, these lights move. You see, that's the normal light, which gives me it's got a gel in it to give me a warm glow. But these lights then bring it out, gives me that extra 3-dimensional. They are moving heads. That's why just here I've got a shadow, but that's why I've got to keep my hands down. Okay. So I'm now going to show you the back of the studio. That's the back looking on. All right. Now up here you can see. In fact, you can't see. They're purposely off the They're purposely off screen. If I put the haze out, you'll start to see white and slow move. In a few moments, you will see all the beams of light because there's moving heads. I've got a whole array of DMX moving heads above me here, all around the top. All up, you can just about make them out. If I bring the lights up in the studio, I'll just do that. So I use a Philips Hue controller to bring up all the studio lights. This is the working lights. There you go. Can you see all the moving heads at the top? See up here, they're all moving. Can you see them all moving? Look, here they come. All these lights are moving. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of those on the back wall. LED lights down the outside, all soundproofing around the outside. I'll leave those lights like that just for a moment so you get a better look of the studio. This computer here is a Mac computer that runs all my light. That's why I keep going to the side here. That's this screen here. That's this monitor here. My keyboard, the piano. I've got the tracks. All the cameras are on tracks, different tracks. This is a SM Beta 58 microphone. That's also a Beta microphone. That's a Neumann TLM 103, I think it is, microphone. Best audio mics in the world. Yamaha monitors at the side. Over here, you can see that orange box is a valve amp that gives the warm sound on my microphone. Okay. Above that is a Lexicon, which is probably the best effects units you can buy in the world. Then the Quantum audio interface is above there, which brings all the sound into my Mac Studio, which is just behind this computer here. Over there, you'll see a mixer, a full audio mixer. So all my audio goes into that mixer, out of that mixer, into the audio interface, into my computer. See all the cameras. Now, this camera here, you see it's on a gimbal. The track isn't smooth enough. It's also on a Osmos gimbal. Can you see that? And can you also see, if I go back to this image here, all the cameras, see, I've got their own monitors. Every camera has its own monitor as well. And the purpose of that is so that the quality of the, see, I can see all the cameras, they're moving. The purpose of that is so all the cameras, I can see what's on all of the cameras, and it improves the quality, so there's less processing being done in the camera, right? Let me just change the lights now. I've got a Hue app here, which is what I use here. There's my Hue app, so I can change the lights in the studio. And now you can see that now you can see the studio's coming to life. This is when I do my music in the evenings. All right, there you go. I've got a foot switch. See down here, look, my foot. That turns this light. Behind me, I've got a red light. Can you see it? If I turn the camera around, it's so I can... see this red light here? I can do that via my foot switch sitting here. And the reason why that red light's there, because red means live, the reason for that is I don't always know if the haze machine is on because it's silent, right? So I don't know it's actually on. So I have a light back there, right? So I actually know the haze is on. If I change to white, there you go. Look, you see? I can change all the gobos, all the colors, the patterns, whatever. We can make everything move really quickly. All kinds of different things. All right? Now, let me give you the other angle now. Okay. Now then, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move to the other part of the studio and try and show you the other side of it. So if I go over here, what's the best way? Okay. Right, I move over here. Now, over here, I've got to turn the microphones on because I use different microphones. Now, underneath, when I'm sat at the piano, because here's the piano, I've got foot switches. I've got 14 foot switches. I can switch live. You see my foot? You can see my foot. Look, my leg's moving. My foot switches are here. Goes from the piano to this camera, to these cameras, and I've got JVC switches. So all the cameras come into different boxes. See these are boxes here? See when the lights, when they change red and green? That's when the lights go from off air to on air. All the tracks, the Neumann microphone, At the side of me, I've got stream decks. I've got stream decks everywhere. One here, one back there. So I can control all the lights from here. Like I can go, I can turn everything off and, I can change all the settings. I can bring up the lights. I can do anything I want from here as well as over there. So I'm not moving around. And on the, if I just zoom out, on the piano, I've got my main screen here, which I'm watching you on YouTube, so I know what you're watching. Got my iPad. I've got two iPads. This iPad here is running the stream right now. So when I start the show and you see me like the show 3 times, it's me. This is the different accounts I've got. So when I start the show, you always know it's me. 1, 2, 3. But that also runs my music and my audio and all my sheet music because I'm playing the piano. I think that's it. I got foot switches for the fans. See all these flags that are moving? There's fans to make that work, keep the studio cool. I think that's about it. My keyboard over here. Does that explain it all? Is that all good? All right. Oh, and I didn't... Over here, if you look here, this is the new 24-hour stream. See this over here? This is going to be... This computer here, these 2 screens here, are going to be the 24-hour stream. This computer here. There's 2 big screens here attached to this iPad. Sorry, not iPad. Attached to that computer. All right. There's this is my iPhone here when I'm on TikTok. So this iPhone here is looking at this screen that you're seeing here. That's how I get TikTok to work. But yeah, this computer here, it's got 2 screens attached to it. It's going to be my 24-hour stream. That's when I'm live soon to go 24 hours a day. So there'll be live conversation, live chat. All the members will be able to keep in touch with each other live on the show. All right. Okay. And when I bring up all these different scenes, like all this, and change everything, this is all my stream decks working and all the rest of it. That's just a brief little look. I hope that was of some interest to you guys. Fantastic setup and equipment, Martin. That's why the what does that say? Music sounds so well through earbuds or headphones. Excellent equipment. Thank you. James says, thank you. You have built an amazing studio. The colors and sounds come across amazing when watching on my home TV. Thank you very much. Make sure, if you are watching on TV though, or any quality device, to get the best out of it, this is what you're watching on YouTube right now. Make sure, because I am broadcasting in Ultra HD and it's 4K once it's processed. Okay, make sure that you click here and select Ultra HD. See, normal HD, Ultra HD, and later on the video is in 4K as well. It's even better than that, because if I go to an actual video, let's say if I actually go to, let's have a little look. If I go to one of my videos, so let's say Sensei's video last night. Just bear with me. Or one of my analysis, right? One of these videos here that I put out last night. If you actually click on this, you can actually select it in 4K. Look, Ultra HD, Ultra HD, or even in 4K. So the quality is perfect, exactly like it looks in the studio. Look, if you zoom in, the detail is lifelike. All right. You just need to make sure that you select that if you want to get that quality. All right, and if you put it on surround sound speakers, there's stereo, left and right. Everything is in stereo. Okay. And finally, I've also got this I'll share with you on the screen. This is how it sounds so good, right? There we go. This is my studio. Even though I've got the best microphones and the best, cabling and effects processors and valve amps and so on and so forth, there is noise in the studio. This is not a music studio, even though it is a music studio. It's a TV studio. A lot of moving lights, a lot of fans. There's a lot of background noise. So on my studio, I use different processes here. I've got different buses sending information to processors which warm the sound up, which takes away the noise, the background noise, compresses the audio. All of that is done as well to improve the quality of the sound, so you hear it the way I want you to hear it. So there is some background noise, and if you look back at my old videos, you'll hear all the background noise, and it sounds really thin. My audio sounds really thin. It's quite amazing how thin it actually sounds, but yeah, it does. It sounds really thin. And if you actually go to my homepage of the channel and click on my welcome video, which I can't show you right now because I'm live, but the welcome video up here, the welcome video, the one that I share, that's always here at the top of the page when I'm not live. If you listen, the audio quality is thin in comparison to where it is today. So it sounds really great today, right? Right, that's it. That was for Jordan Allen. I don't know if Jordan Allen's still here. Let me see if Jordan Allen is still here. Yes, he is. Jordan Allen, that was for you. Okay, now then, I am out of here. I'll see you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. Let me just nip in. To the channel. Phantom Pizza. We upgraded Phantom Pizza. Let me put a like on that. If you could all be more engaged in the Discord channel, it would really help. We're trying to get to become a public channel, so it requires everybody to engage. And would software website be all get hi Jordan Allen? Yeah, if you're able to engage in all my posts on Discord, it really will help us become a public server. Just by liking and commenting, engaging. We've got enough viewers, but we don't have enough engagement rate yet. So that's why I pop in and try to share everything and all the rest of it. Wonderful breakfast. This is from Mike. Enjoying the fishing. I am. Look at this. Love this. This is Zed Hink. Look at this. He's out fishing, having a relaxing day. I love that. Oh, look at all these mugs. Look at all these mugs coming in. Look at all these pictures that have just come in. Look at this. Seth Houston. Look at that. I'm loving that. Look at that. Look at that. Brilliant. Let me smash the like on that. There's Jason Fallon. Look at this. Jason Fallon. Look at that. I love it. Brilliant. So that's done. I've done the breakfast bar. I've answered everyone's questions. I think we're good. Everyone smash the like and subscribe to the channel. Let's hope so. Thank you for the studio tour. Enjoyed it. You're very welcome. Thanks again for the tour. You're welcome, mate. I think just trying to get through everything. Right, look at this. You know, I told you about all the trolls I get. Look at the sort of rubbish I have to put up with. Look, this person here said, clown, they're referring to me, has done nothing when the market is up 10%. Can you believe they even write this stuff, make themselves look so silly? The market is not up 10% today. Absolutely bonkers. You make no sense. I'm not even going to... there you go. I reply to everything. I engage with everyone. I even like their comments. I even like it. That must frustrate them. Why does he like my comment when I'm calling him a clown? I like everything, because I do. You make no sense. Anyway, I love all these people talking nonsense. You learn a lot from people like this. You learn everything. Don't ever discredit anyone. You learn from absolutely everybody, even the people that talk silly. You just have to get used to it. Right. That's it. We're not going to do day trade of the day. I'm way over time. I am going to get out of here now, though. So thank you ever so much, everyone, for being part of today's show. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. All right. Let's get out of here. Let's roll the credits. Thank you very much indeed. Shoot. Do shadoo beat dooby doo ba da doo doo ba da ba doo ba. All right, stars of our show, subscribers: Stir Fry Rambo, Enrica Degolado, Robert Blarak and Robert Blarak, Phantom Pizza 77 new members, Jordan Allen and Lance Strength, some super chats. Thank you very much indeed, Robert. I didn't give you all your benefits and perks and benefits. I hope you'll join me again so I can. I don't know where you are, so I can't give that to you. But anyway, thank you very much indeed. Let's turn the interview screen off. So I have to have that on, I see. I've got it. Camera A. That's what I always use. That makes sense. All right, I was just checking some settings. Turn that off for now. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you back in a short while. The market is just trimming off mid-morning. That's what happens. I'm not concerned about that. Markets are fine. The S&P's going down. Amazon's going down. Apple's going down. All of it's going down a lot. And that's great. That suits me down to the ground because I can buy that when it goes down. Enphase is holding up. Coca-Cola is going up. J&J now. Oh, J&J. Look. We're nearly in the money. Negative 0.25%. $57 out of 24, nearly 25,000. Couldn't get better. As a sound engineer and general geek, that is a very clever setup for audio and visual. Kai Shan, thank you very much indeed. Hi, Mike. I'll see you all back in a bit. Have a wonderful morning. I'll see you back for the afternoon. Look out for the premieres. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other. Bye-bye for now.